Boom. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me. And that is your time. We're going to bring this mic up. How's everybody doing? We changed the mic, got a new mic stand. Things looking pretty cool. I'm pretty excited. Makes things a lot easier for the man. You don't have to see the mic anymore. All right. And yeah. How's everybody doing out there on YouTube? How you guys feeling? How you guys doing? How's everybody doing out there? We're going to keep the music cool for, Wednesday. Laid back Wednesday. But we did a 3X last night. If you were privy to what I was putting down, if you were a Patreon and you paid the $99, or if you saw that I sold Doge on the bearish divergence up here at about 66 last night, okay? Chance it could eventually come down and retest. All right, shout out to Rocket Dog for the 333, my dude. Watching on the way to work, man. Much respect to everybody looking like a 4K. Yeah, well, today I changed things up a bit. I'm happy you noticed that. Yo, I'm feeling good today, man. The music is good. The feeling is good. The vibes are good. Life is good. Made $3 grand in my sleep. Come on, man. I got a wallet full of BNB, pocket full of wallet full of BNB, pocket full of ether, coming through my days, man. When you couldn't be here, you want to come and do this. I got a wallet full of BNB, pocket full of ether, just to kind of stand something you can see her making on the back chance, something being. That's how I come up with tracks. It's all about that feeling. And then we sold barbecue at 760 and it's 696, so we doing our thing. Life is stepping up the quality. You guys notice right off the bat. I love this. Yeah, we got more lights. Yeah, if only the thumbnail could pick up what's going on. I still got this like kerning on the sides. I gotta figure this out. Bothers me a little bit, but yeah. We got more lights. Yeah, if only the thumbnail could pick up. Yeah, I look like 3D. Wow, I'm looking at that now. I'm like, wow, that's crazy. I definitely look 3D right there. Changed the camera from this app I was using. I think the app would only let me use 720. I think it was hindering the resolution of my camera. Are you willing to take another deep dive on Swerve? Price was around 120 when we last looked at it. All-time high of $40. Currently at 226. So fresh, so clean. Spit that fire. Life stepping up the quality. Freestyle Wednesdays. Remember Freestyle Wednesdays? Hell yeah. Thoughts on Ethereum Classic. Whoa, super crispy video this AM. Dope, man. Aha. Yeah. Looking sharp, brother. Love you guys, man. Love you guys. Let's get into the work. We're gonna have a great day on this live today. We're gonna knock it out the park. We are. Only way is up, baby. How's Alpha look like? Can you give us an update on Patreon? I'm getting a lot of questions. There's no update on Patreon. I don't know what the... Oh, tonight at 6 p.m.? Is that what you're saying? Tonight at 6 p.m.? I'm gonna send out a link tonight at 6 p.m. A link's gonna go basically to the Patreon room and Telegram, and I'm gonna post it to Patreon for tonight 6 p.m. Weekly meeting, weekly screen share, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if that's the question. I don't know. Maybe my wife should get my admin team admin up in there. Are you still expecting Sha to make its move this week? I hope so. I never know exactly when something's gonna happen. I'm not saying like, oh, it has to happen this week, right? Up the ante, keep it spitting, keep it kicking, ripping and kicking, Okay, hey man, looking so sharp, so much better. I saw the video when you looked at Wex. Can I give you some reason why the project is good? If you would like to hear of that, don't want to force anything. Yeah, let me know what you think about it. Let me know. Let me know. Okay, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin as we start the day. Bitcoin dominance, total 2, like we started, like the channel started to begin with, right? So let's take a look at Bitcoin right off the bat. Hope you're having a good morning. Hope you're having a good day. Thank you for coming on in. If you're new to this channel, you're not sure what goes on here, well, I'm the Crypto Lifer. Thank you for coming on in. We have an eclectic group of people from around the world that have met me online and have really connected. And now we have a close-knit, really cool group of people. Nobody disrespects anybody. Nobody uses profanity. We kick anybody out that starts, just playing games. If you're not trying to change your life and make serious gains, I'm sorry, it's just not the group for you. If you just want to be entertained and find your way, if you're serious, even if you're a beginner and you don't know anything, if you know how to spell ether and that's it, if you don't even know how to spell ether, if you just know how to walk through a door, we're ready to have you, man. We're ready to have you. Bitcoin dominance so low, baby. Yeah. So look, Bitcoin doing its thing. Let's see what happened here. Now, I suggested that we would have a right shoulder. Remember that? They went deep on this right shoulder. They went hard on us. They're funny, man. These guys are funny. They know the TA and they definitely play the TA, but now I know how they play the TA. You almost have to like play yourself, and that's how you won't get played by them. You get what I'm saying? Like you have to be like, okay, there's the head and shoulder, but they're going to make another shoulder on the low. Like they're going to complete the pattern and then play games. That's what they do. But this is great because we held a higher low. And all we needed to do is not make a lower low there. We did not do that. Trend in the 4-hour has been completed. Look, uptrend. Everything so far, so good. Another thing that we're seeing that I love to talk about here. Look, swing down to swing down on the 4-hour. Okay? And swing up to swing up. We got bullish divergence established on Bitcoin, guys. Clap for the bullish. Clap for the bullish divergence. Yeah. Bullish divergence, baby. Telcoin just keeps, it doesn't stop. If you're in this chat right now, you're already doing the right thing. You know what it is. You know what it is. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time, baby. That is your time. Let's get those likes all the way up. 76 likes, 70 people watching, 39 likes. That's not the lifer way. When I watch a video and I see a guy enthusiastic and I'm excited and I'm about it, I hit that like button. I keep it moving. Have you noticed how Bitcoin seems to dip hard on the 20th of every month? Since January 20th, it's been following that pattern for whatever reason. We told you that. I'm the guy who kind of put that together. I mean, I sat with someone and we talked about it, but we put a link out. I'll show you. Pretty sure I put it in my billboard, but we talked about it here on the live stream, and we went over it in kind of in depth, a little bit in depth. Now I want to find the chart, obviously, right? But we went over the fact that Bitcoin dips on the 20th of every month. Pretty crazy. Between the 19th and the 21st of every single month, Bitcoin has a dump. And it's either the CME gaps, you know what I'm saying? It's the CME. There's a few different things at play. And, yeah. Okay, so, all right. Now, the idea here is crack that whip life. A serious trade is here. No games. We treat this like a business. Yeah, I just want people to know, like, if you really want to get rich, this is the place to be. If you want to just, like, hope to make gains and, like, watch videos, then go watch, like, you know, the Martini guy or any. And I love the Martini guy. He's amazing. Like, these people I don't hate on, actually. I actually love him. But it's not the same. It's just not the same. It's not the same type of group. This may be one of the most serious groups on YouTube when it comes to getting paid. All right? Like, we're about that dough, you know? So, we're not trying to, like, almost make it. Like, we're trying to get out multimillionaires out of this game. And every one of you can do it, too. And if you don't think you can, then that's where it starts. You got to think you're going to be a millionaire in this life. You got to think every day that you're destined for greatness. I'll tell you what, man, I was used to be in debt. My life would be in a hole. And I would be like, I'm destined for greatness. Like, good things are going to come to me. And I always tell myself I'm lucky. And I believe that. And if you believe you're lucky, guess what? You are, man. If you don't believe you're lucky, then you're not. Like, your mentality is everything. Attitude is everything, man. Attitude is everything. So this is the trade here for Bitcoin. Pretty simple trade. Stop loss at 14%, right? At the top of the head. It's a very simple trade. You long Bitcoin right here, and you see if you can ride it up all the way to $95,000. There's my call here on the channel for you guys live. I'm going to put it out. I love this new, I should be using this all the time. Look how much time it saved me having to write all that nonsense. And it even gives us more math and really puts it in. Spot on, man. Spot on. So there's a trade for Bitcoin. Got that done out of the way real quick, right? Attitude is everything. Your words create your future. Your actions make it happen. Bam. Look at this guy. The philosopher over here. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on. And if you're new and you just jumped in, if you just clicked this button, you're like, what is this channel that I just bumped into? You just got lucky. I'm telling you right now, someone loves you. Someone upstairs loves you if you just came into this channel. And I know, well, that's pompous. What a guy. No, man. It's not me. It's the group, man. It's the group. It's the people here that I've assembled. It's the people that have come into this channel. Unbelievable people. Unbelievable people. Hardest working people in show business, man. The crypto lifers, bro. So look, double bottom here on the 4 hour, pointed to the upside. Swing down to swing down. That's that's bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence right there, established. To me, with multiple. Now look, another thing, guys. Remember what I talk about? Oh wow, it's coming. It's coming. Look. Last few times that Bitcoin went up on the 4 hour. Look, and I talk about this every day on the channel, but I don't mind talking about it again every single day. What we see is the moving averages got very, very tight. They got extremely tight right here. They got tight right there. They got tight right there. Look, by golly gee, oh my. They're coiling up into some serious tightness. They're jumbled up. That was your buy right there when they were as tight as possible. Even right there, I mean, I'm telling you right now, long in Bitcoin at 58 right now, beautiful, beautiful long. 55.8, beautiful long. Just because you're you. Shout out to Amaroon. Thank you so much for the super chat. Much respect. I'm here. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Get the likes all the way up, guys. 57 likes. 91 people. I'm on it. I'm on it. Let's get it going. Halo. Morning, Sam. Just want to say hi and here for the whole beautiful journey. Have to head out to pick up some hubby, but look forward to the group Zoom tonight. Awesome. I love you all too. I love you. Shout out to my pancake people. Pancake swap, baby. Pancake swap. What you know about that pancake swap? All day long, baby. All day long. Lightning falls off when you lean forward. Need a bounce board for some more front lighting. Jay Saleh, the front lighting will come in tomorrow. I actually have the lighting right here. It's going to be there and blast me. I have the light. I just didn't set it up. Yeah, I got to be like right here. See? But that's lighting on the green screen. Now I need lighting on me. I just need a little more lighting. I got you, bro. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. We're going to get it perfecto. We're going to get it perfecto. Do you know about Morphos? No, I seen you talking about that earlier. Cashed out 5K on Doge. What should I reinvest in? It's a great idea. I'm sitting on a 5K idea too right now. And we're going to come up with some ideas, some thoughts. But I have some things on KuCoin that are looking pretty crispy that I'm really liking. So we'll take a look at that. I like Shaw right now, honestly. I like Shaw in this buy zone, kind of sticking in there. Could come all the way back down to this lane. There's a chance. There's a chance. And again, wait for it to kind of, if it does come down here, wait for it to bounce. So that could be an aggressive buy. Let's see right now, though. 4 hours pointed to the downside, pointed to the upside. 1 hour has momentum, showing you that we're double bottoming inside the pattern, and we're moving with the coiled moving averages very tight. Look, guys, moving averages tight again. Very tight again. Look, tight, tight, tight. We make a move to the upside. It's in a cup and handle, guys. Do not miss these cup and handles. All right? I'm telling you right now. So here's the call right here. This is something you may want to put a little bit of that money into, man. Shaw. Scared money don't make money. You got to take a shot. Again, none of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own due diligence before buying anything that you see on this channel. And thank you so much. But there's the buy zone right there for Shaw. All right. If you're new to this channel, what we do is I go over multiple coins. I have my own game plan. I have a whole idea. And I'm here to help you guys. I also basically we deep dive into low cap gems. Last night I gave my Patreons a call. Might as well show the call real quick. I like to give my buys and sells. I'm pretty honest with it. I'm pretty open about it. And I want you guys to know that that's what it is. So last night, look, I say I'm buying, look, I bought BBQ, high risk, 1 to 3% of your portfolio. We bought it was about $2 when we bought it. Okay, put 1.25 BNB. And then I just sold it for about 3 BNB. So I tripled my monkeys. And here it is now at 660. Had you even taken my call, you'd be up 3x. I sold close to a 4x. And pretty good. Can you talk about Uniswap V3 LP and the possibilities of an airdrop? I mean, that would be pretty cool, and not as well. Like, enough with the airdrops when you're already out. They already did their thing. My spirit is stay strong. Spirit swap is the pancake swap for Phantom Chain. All right, I like what he just said, guys. I think he's right. What he just said. My dude holding it down like a G with the TA. Shout out to everybody, man. I love you guys. We talk about Strong here. All right, I like Strong. If Strong can come down here, look, it got rejected by the top trend line. High probability Strong's going to come back down here and get into my buy zone and accumulate Strong right there. So we're setting up for a trade on Strong. See, we don't give you the trade. We give you how the trade's going to form. We plan the trade before it happens. See, this way, you watch this. So if you're one of my students, you have your trading view. I really hope that you recreate my charts. You put in your buy zone right here. And look, we can even, right now, what I can do, I can right-click this. Okay, I thought I could put, but easily what I do is I could even just take a line, any line I want, bam, put it there. And then I can right-click this line and hit add alert. And that's my alert line. I'm going to get alerted by my phone or my computer when Strong's price hits that line. And then I'm going to make an entry. It's that simple. It's that simple, right? So as long as you keep it simple and clean, there's ways to help yourself in the market. So don't make it too hard on yourself. Use the automated moves. Plan out your trades, you know. Thank you so much, Kevin. Yeah, I was using XSplit VCAM, but now I realize you could just do your own thing. We're going to get one more light, though. One more light, and we're going to rock it out. But, yeah, thank you very much, man. Much respect. I appreciate that you guys noticed that. Bro, any chance you saw what Gamer Token did the last 2 days? No, I did not. We probably would have talked about it here on the channel. So back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin looking very healthy, and then we're going to take a look at the Ethereum BTC pair. But wow, Bitcoin pamping a little bit right there. Beautiful 2 big candles off of 52.91, and that completed the right shoulder. It really did. So far so good. And I told you guys, we really do have hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hour, 8-hour. Even on the daily a little bit. Even on the daily slightly. I like what we're seeing, man. Good structure for Bitcoin. Anything is possible. How about Polkadot? Any chance you saw the game or no? What platform do you use for trading? I use multiple platforms, but I use 3 commas to organize them all. Truly a gem, 3 commas. I love every second of it. Ooh, my account's back to an all-time high. Made $7,000 while I was sleeping in my Binance account. Not bad. If you like making $7,000 while you sleep, you might want to join me. With my Patreons, I gave them every single coin that I hold in my account. Okay, every single coin. My buys and sells. Right now, I'm in a 1 BTC trade, just trying to gain a little bit of BTC from 1. We're gonna take a look back at that trade, make sure it's doing its thing. I hold trades for about a month, swing them, do my thing. Can you do some TA on audio? Of course, man. Thank you so much for the super chat. Much respect to everybody here on the live, man, coming through. Can we get 100 likes? That's all I ask for is 100 likes. If we get up 100 likes, 107 people watching, 30 of you guys just gotta come and beep. I know you may be watching on your TV, but kind of scroll down, do what you can. Thank you so much for the super chat from Mike Miller for the $2.99. He wants to take a look at audio. Let's take a look at audio. What I'll do is I'll have my show page, then I'll duplicate it, and I'll have another page in the background. Honestly, XCam V-Split was taking a lot of my computer's computing power as well. So now we're freer. Like, I feel like I'm freer a bit. I downgraded one program and got higher quality. The mic actually sounds even better. I like where the mic is. And now it's not in the shot anymore. I'm super excited about everything going on today on the live stream. Woo! Okay. Moving forward, we're gonna take a look. We're gonna take a look at this. This is gonna be the calls window. Okay, so beautiful thing, what's going on? It's following Bitcoin in a nutshell, right? You see it's doing the same thing we just saw Bitcoin do. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. It's just following Bitcoin completely, right? A lot of these little coins are depending on the Bitcoin pumpage. Now, then you look at the BTC pair to get an idea of what's going on. But I like this. It already broke out. Look, you got your 200-day now. The 200-day becomes the bottom. That's your bottom. When you meet it, it's usually the catalyst of a big move to the upside. Usually, and I mean, it almost always is, because it's the lowest point. So on the 8-hour chart, look, that's the last time we touched the 200-day, right there at the beginning of this, and this move would just continue. So what I'm trying to explain to you guys is this is, look, and we might have a bit of a fractal too. I'm going to try to look at this. This could be fractaling out. All right. The last time we, interesting. It's almost like there's the head and shoulder there was sideways. There's a head and shoulder there as well. But you can see we break out. We're below the moving averages. Price breaks above moving averages. Bounces off to 200 and then starts to make its way. That's the catalyst of a break to the upside. Also remember, tight moving averages. They're not far apart like here. They're nice and tight. Right? So take a look. Shoulder, head, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? Same thing. Look, moving averages are getting tight. See, they were big now. They're getting tight. This is where you accumulate. Guys, think about it. You could use nothing else but my moving average theory. And you could use it on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. The daily doesn't work too well. You got to use the 1 hour. But look, tight, boom. Are we getting tight? Yeah, we got tight right around there. Where they're the closest, that's going to be your buy zone. Because that's where the price isn't too high or too low. Get it? You see what I'm saying? Bam. Shout out to XRP Music. Shout out to everybody in the live. And I see a bigger, so there's a bigger pattern at play. And all will be well. This is in my opinion, I think this will be one of the last times we see it below the 200 on the 1 hour. Holding strong support right here. I kind of like this entry. So let's take a look at 1 hour. 1 hour is pointing to the downside. 1 hour has to come back down and go sideways. So what you do is I put a line down here. I really do. And I right click it. And I put an alert on it. And I'll know, literally, you get an alert when the stochastics hits it. Bang. Shame about Car. Can we look at BNB, my good sir? I'm a little upset about Car. I stayed up till like 2:30 in the morning last night, literally, just to get into something hot. And I was unable to get in. And I got a little sad because I'm that guy who, like, whenever I enter an auction or do anything, all right, so Jesse, don't tell me DM while I'm doing the show, because then I'll, I get distracted, bro. I have ADHD. Try to help me out. All right, so check it out. Car done a 4x, and we would have 4x'd our money already overnight, right? My gosh, man. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at Bakery Swap. We're gonna take a look at Car. We're gonna take a look at the whole game. What's going on? Bakery Swap doing great things. Great things. Really interesting what's going on with Bakery Swap. So I like Audius right here. I really do. Audio. I think it's going to be a big game changer in the game, and I think this is something you really want to get a piece of. All right. It's on Binance. I want to take a look at its market cap, kind of look at a deep dive of it. I'm thinking of getting in. I don't have it right now, and I'm thinking of making a position in it. KuCoin is moving. I know you have talked about it before. What do you think? I mean, KuCoin's always going to move. Everybody uses it and talks about it. It's kind of an obvious thing. It's like BNB coin. Anything people are going to use every single day and need. Oh, yeah. Trading is very good for us. All right. So take a look. We're going to take a look at audio. Or Audius. Right. Market cap. Market cap's only 281. Could easily get to the billion and 5x from here. Right. So you get a little 5x action. And you're low. And it's a good buying opportunity. You're not buying on the highs. You're buying at the reserve levels. We also bounced off previous highs, and we've got the support region. So everything looking nice for it. Sitting where it is. It's on Binance. Or you can get it on the Ethereum mainnet. Yikes. if you want to pay. It's like, why go to Uniswap when you can go to Binance? And I can't believe that many people still stay on Uniswap. I'm kind of flabbergasted by it. FTX, man. I might open up an FTX account for the first time and buy some audio there and make that my first place, just because I want to get in. I want to check it out. Volume's a little lower though. Binance, look at the volume, 18 million. Yeah, no, I'll stick to Binance. That's when people were like, oh, I don't want to get into Binance. Use Bog Finance for limit orders on BSC chain. Looking sharp. Yeah, we really like Bogged Finance. I've been taking a look at that as well. And does it really let you limit order? Because that's pretty sick. That is sick. Can you limit order in and out as well? That would be unbelievable. I'm excited to hear that. Did you guys hear that? Limit orders on the Binance Smart Chain? That's a big deal. That's a game changer. We're gonna have to show you guys that. But Tell is on ETH, right? So we need Uni. Nah, Tell is on KuCoin, man. KuCoin is huge. KuCoin is huge. Yo, Kevin. See, I use my old description again. There'll be a big hype for AVAX and DOT in the future. Oh yeah, I have Avalanche and I'm hype on it. And Polkadot as well, for sure. KuCoin for the win, baby. KuCoin for the win. You said it. You said it. Don't forget it. So take a look now. What's going on with Audius? Can we have a look at Phonum? Interesting. Never heard of Phonium. Has it something to do with phones? That's another thing. When are we gonna get a blockchain? Like soon, we're gonna be able to get off of. It's funny, honestly. Like I would use Telegram to call everybody. Like I'd be willing to get rid of my phone service and just use Telegram. I beg, yo, contact me on Telegram. Like that's the only way to contact me. Like I don't have another way to contact me, you know? Yeah, but that's why you buy KuCoin shares now before the chain gets started. I bought KuCoin shares at $1, guys. I sold all my KuCoin shares at $17.76, man. So, look, it's forming a bowl. It's in a bit of a ascending triangle at this point, right? Use an old description. I know you're trying to fix that thumbnail issue. You know what it is I just trying to use I don't know what's going on, man. This is my problem, is I have a great graphics guy, and he lives in Pakistan. He's awesome. But one day he just like said he had to go to the woods, and we've been like, I've been having some issues. So if anyone knows a good backup thumbnail guy who could bang out thumbnails for me, what I do is I keep him on the ledger. He gets like a monthly stipend, and I give him some trades and some little extra gimmies. And as long as he's on ready to bang out thumbnails for me, like I tell him, you know, you get 4 or 5, maybe even 10 hours in advance. I say, hey, these are the thumbnails that I need. So if anyone can pick up Photoshop in my thumbnails, help me out, let me know, because I need it, man. And it was rocking for a while, and it's just, you know, I just want a little bit of a backup. I'm not getting rid of my thumbnail guy. He's awesome, and we have other plans. I just needed a backup for every once in a while. So let me know if you're into that. If anyone does Photoshop, hit me up. So there's a call right here for audio. I like it right here. This is where I would honestly, I look at the 1 hour and I'd wait for it to come to the down. Wait, is it not? Honestly, came up, came down, did another thing. I think this is going to go up here, then come back down. I believe this is a good entry for Audios right here. The reason is because it's starting to make its move above the 200-day, and then it slipped up below it. It's not going to go that far away from the 200-day now. It's like this little dip here. See, we dip below it and then we're gone. Very interesting. All right. Now I'm going to give you another quick template. We're going to take a look at Trend Watch. This is going to be crucial too. You want to buy right when we start getting above this. Ooh, we're right below it, but we could be coming up now. So right below it, we come back up. Come back up. So whenever we get above this blue line, you long the trade. Whenever we get below it, you get out. So look, we get below it, you get out. Look, we get above it, you get in. Sell at a good time. When you're far away from the line, sell. Far away from the line, sell. See? It's a good profit marker. Whenever you're far away from this, this is the 144-day moving average. The weighted moving average. Audio and Alpha are my biggest holdings right now. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. I mean, that's a good idea. Everyone, you know what? As long as you stick to your plan, guys, it's going to go your way, honestly. Funny, man. Look, we're seeing the... These coins are crazy, man. They almost always fractal. And they don't fractal the same patterns with each other sometimes. They just tend to do the same thing. They tend to copy their same old patterns. But like this thing looks a lot like it. Look at this thing. I should ask them to make this easier. Like, it's about as big as I can make it there. But see it? That's that low point there. Look at that. It's not perfect, but it's pretty, that's like spot on right there. And then I think this is kind of like this here. We have the low, and that looks a lot like that. And then we double bottom, and then we're gonna do this, and then come down and break out. Bam, look at that. So that's my idea for this. Perfect time to accumulate. This is where you want to get into the trade, man. It's getting ready for a beautiful move to the upside. Where do I see it going? I see this doing some serious damage. Doing damage. What's doing damage today? We'll take a look for you in a second. I really want to look at that Ethereum BTC pair as well. Make that play possibly. See what's going down. 237% gains. I'll take them. I'll take them all the way to the bank, baby. All the way to the bank. I like this, man. This looks really good. I'm going to be entering this trade, honestly. I sold some waves. And, yeah. Like, let's look at waves market cap. I'm going to sell some waves for Audius, man. You know, I'm going to make that move. We'll look back in time. Maybe it was the best. Maybe it was the worst. Let's see what's going on. So waves market cap, right? 3.6 billion. Okay, 3.6 billion. All right, if Audius gets even close to that, let's think about it from where it's at. Right? From where it's at right now. And I'm not comparing them, I'm just showing you guys like ideas here. This is number 48. Audius is number 248. If it can break into the top 200, 248 million. If it gets to 2.8 billion, right? That's going to be a 10x. Yo, I'm a digital designer. I'll hit you in Telegram. I can help with the thumbnails, etc. Yo, thank you so much. Let me know, bro. I'll give you a stipend. I'll keep you on the team. And, yeah, like, I'll give you, like, little calls, and I'll help you make, you know, we'll stay close, man. I like my team close. I really like to work with a few close-knit people and get it done, man. So stay close to me. Let's get it in. I'd really appreciate that, bro. I really appreciate that. Dude, Z posted that PancakeSwap has been added to MetaMask built-in swaps. Huge. Word. What is that? Word, man. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that. Shout out to everyone. Thank you, Z, for running the Binance Smart Chain room. Okay, check it out. Let's see what's going on here. PancakeSwap. Trade, earn, win. Are you kidding me? PancakeSwap has been damn near sponsored by PancakeSwap, baby. I mean, they bought me everything in the studio. PancakeSwap has been added to the MetaMask built-in swap feature. Let's take a look at this. This is a huge deal. Binance, swap to Cake. Binance chain. Unbelievable, man. Cake to BNB. I love it. I love it. This is huge because, like, it's now part of the, like, wow. Right? Wow. Like, yeah, that's all I'm going to say is I'm blown away. I'm blown away. Let's take a look at Phonium. Shout out to everyone. Yeah, the super chats, man. Send in those super chats. It gets me excited. It gets me going. Check the waves, outlook, and DOT. I have a few G's staked in DOT that becomes unbounded today. Trying to look for the next move if I should let it chill. Do you run a course on how to do TA? I do run a course on how to... I'm coming out with a course. I'm coming out with like basically a 40 video course. We're working on it right now. Should be done within 3 weeks, I'd say, something like that. And it's probably gonna, it's gonna be way cheaper than any other course online that you ever see. $300-400 bucks or something like that. That's kind of the idea. But I also do tutoring for $100 an hour, and I'll break down anything you think. My course. Now there's trading courses out there. This course is going to be different than anything you've ever seen. This course is going to be about the future. So it's going to be like, hi, welcome to the Crypto Lifer trading course. I know you may have looked at other trading courses before, but this course is different. Not only do we teach you TA, proper risk management, but we also teach you how to yield farm, how to learn passive income, and how to enter the world of DeFi. Become part of the future. This trading course will empower you to know the tools that you need to get ahead in the financial world in the 2030, 2040, and beyond. Everyone else is staying in the past with the trading course. This course encompasses all of cryptocurrency, giving you everything you need to succeed. So join my course today, do the right thing, and come on in. And that's gonna be the idea behind the course. And the whole mindset is it's gonna really propel people into the space. It's gonna get my whole 4 years, 5 years of crypto wrapped up into a beautiful informational. I'm gonna put my heart and soul into it. I really will. It'll be like a masterpiece, and it is a masterpiece right now. I cry over it because it's everything. I'll put my entire soul into that course, and then there'll be follow-up for tutoring if you need it. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing, man. I'm gonna sign my pops up for that course. Dogecoin $2. Yeah, probably. Crypto is Life course. Crypto Lifer University, man. Any update on Patreon? I don't know what he means. Any update on Patreon? What is he talking about? Bro, you were the crypto Bill Nye. This guy. Check out Waves, Outlook, and Dot. I haven't seen Outlook. I want to take a look at that. First, we're going to take a look at Phonium. Haven't heard about it yet. I appreciate you too, AJ Yo. Appreciate you, AJ Yo. What's trending right now? Just take a look. Pokeball, Amachi Shards, Max and Row, Cartesian, guys. I gave you guys Cartesian at 27 cents. I went to 99 yesterday, but I gave you this cup and handle when here was at 20 cents right there when it's going to make that cup and handle right there. Boom. Made a beautiful video explaining basically how the cup and handle works. I decided, I was like, what do these people need? These people need simple, quick videos that show them what's going on, right? So the best pattern to learn in crypto right here. Bam. Hi, I'm the Crypto Lifer, and welcome to my channel. Today, I don't have any time to waste. I want to start showing you what's happening. I've seen the cup and handle. So look, this is 27 cents. I said, if you just hold on to these, and you got to give them 2 months. Look, March, April, May. But now we're here in the, if you can get a cup and handle and give it 2 months, you're going to get paid. But you need the patience, my friends. You need the patience, right? Now you want to take a look at CTSI right now and see what happened to that cup and handle. Bam. Bam. There's my cup and handy. 27 cents right there. Bam. And I'm telling you guys, like, look, that's how you make the gains. You want to make the gains? You want to make serious life-changing wealth? You better have the patience. And yeah, you could even buy and sell the top. You could have bought up here. Look, we could go to like the 4 hour daily time frame. It's kind of strange actually. This funny. I guess you could sell on the bearish div right there that you saw right when it called bearish divvy. Could have sold. This really called it out for us. This is stochastic RSI with divs. It finds out the divergence for you, but I like to teach you guys the divs first. I don't want you guys to just run it on automated, so I don't give this to my students. I want you guys to kind of do this on your own, right? We ever make a video on your TradingView setup for beginners? Interesting. Will you ever do a 24-hour live stream? Can you go over Eris when you have time? Thank you, Lifer. You're better than Nye because you're a real crypto scientist. Check the super chats. I will. Pasta Finance, under 1 million market cap. Rasta Finance. We like I've been looking at Rasta Finance a little bit. We'll take a look at that. Let's take a look at Phonium. Phonium. What's going on with Phonium? Now, what else do I do, man, to keep myself under proper risk management? Is, you know, you got to take your profits, guys. You saw me on the live stream now. I sold Burger, right, at 25. Okay. I sold Doge last night at about 66. Okay. Phonium. I like it already just because it has the name phone in it, right? I mean, wow, 0005. Okay. But it's not one. It doesn't look like it's one of those deflation. Wow, it had a pump and dump though. That worries me. This looks like a pump group got a hold of this thing. When I see stuff like that, so it worries me a little bit. Worries me a little bit, to say the least. Phonium, cloud earning, PHT. Interesting. Home, crypto treasures. Interesting. Apps and games portfolio. Crypto cards. Welcome to the world of crypto cards. Phonium digital trading card and collectibles game. Top the leaderboards and utilize the PHT by depositing it to open booster packs containing common, rare, epic, and legendary types of cards to complete your album. Complete missions, play the daily mini game, and spin the wheel along the way to fill in your album for additional rewards. I'm not into this. I'm not into being on my phone all day and clicking a button. I'm not. So, but I'm not saying everybody else isn't. So I think it's cool. I think it will do well. I'm personally not into it. I like to buy things I'm personally into. Green Karma. Green Karma rewards players with top cryptocurrencies for opening treasure chests, playing mini games, and completing tasks, while helping real-life green projects operate. By playing the Green Karma game, you earn PHT, crypto tokens, for free. You can later redeem your PHT to help protect and regenerate the Amazon rainforest in Brazil by reducing real-life CO2 emissions. Each player receives a unique digital CO2 card, which keeps track of their personal carbon offset. Reduced 100 kilogram CO2 to receive an official certificate in your name. That's kind of cool. That's really cool. That's cool. That's cool, man. All right. Now I'm kind of into this project a little bit. Now, and they got more than one game. Crypto Green Karma, Crypto Planet. Visit the new type of planet, and one that allows you to earn real cryptocurrencies while playing a beautiful and futuristic game. The main objective is to extract the valuable resources of the planet crystals. There is a special machine designed to specifically dig up the crystals automatically and deliver them to you. All you have to do is activate the digger, and after 4 hours, it'll have the resources ready to be claimed. It's like mining, man. Crypto Treasure is a game where players complete various tasks, trivia, and mini games to unlock gold in a game currency. Treasure chest items and collectibles are various cryptocurrencies, including the featured Phonium token. All right, now I'm kind of sold. Remember, I started kind of negative Nancy a little bit. Now I'm kind of sold. Mobile on cryptocurrency platform, easy to integrate API, cloud earning PHT. One cryptocurrency for all apps and games, wallet system. Can we look at Phonium for the 333, man? Well, we took a look at it. It looks pretty nice. All right, now where can you buy this thing? Where can you buy Phonium? Play on the PC or Mac? Oh, that's pretty interesting. Maybe I'll download this just right now to get it going. It's always something, though. I'm going to look at this before I download stuff online. You know, I'm going to take a look. But Phonium. Now, where can I get it? Where is it? Let's take a look at market. I believe it's Uniswap, man. Probit. Only on Probit. One place you can get this thing. No volume. 43,000. So this thing is brand new, right? Pretty new. Does it say when it came out? When it got added to the market? Probit. Interesting. Very interesting. Only on Probit though, right? I don't know. To me, it's a little. It's lacking liquidity. I like the project, but it's lacking liquidity. You know, I'd be a little wary. This is something you might put $50 in and never think about it again. You might come back 2-3 years from now and be like, wow, right? Unbelievable, right? Could you take a look at Constellation? The ticker is DAG. Yeah, I got to get to Charlie, though, on Rasta Finance. And he wants this other guy wants to look at Waves, Outlook, and DOT. Let's take a look at Waves. It's funny, I sold my Waves, and now all I do is think about it every day. I sold it at 34. But you know what? It's going to have to come back to the 21-day moving average on the daily. Like, to me, it's going to have to come back. And on the 4-hour, it's about to touch. So let's see. 4-hour is going to touch. So I think they're going to kiss up here. And damn, I tried to be cute with my sell. I should have sold higher. But I sold at like 33.88, something like that. Now, do I limp back in? Have to pay higher price, right? It's kind of like, damn. I don't like losing money. So I may not. I sold half of my Waves. Check WEX. I talked about it 2 days ago. It's doing damage. I know, and I didn't want to buy it, right? But you know what? I might have made more money somewhere else. We never know, right? I made a 3x, almost 4x last night on BBQ Finance. So we don't know exactly what our moves will be, if they're to be the best ones. What we do know is you got to make a move, right? Making a move at least puts you where you need to be, right? Wow, and this BBQ Finance, like, continuing to rock on out, right? Doing well, like, and the staking is really good, honestly. Even just the earning on the pools, never mind if you split a pool, the earning was really, really nice. So hype, man. I love having a stash of BNB. So now my idea is this. My goal is to just keep grinding. So I'm going to take this 7 BNB and I'm going to turn it into 50 BNB. So we're going to go on the BNB challenge. Who's up for the challenge? Who wants to 10x their BNB with me? We're going to turn 7 BNB into 50 BNB. You know what I'm saying? We're going to turn 7 BNB into 50 BNB. Yeah, let's turn it into 70 BNB, but 50 is my first goal. That's my first goal. We're going to go from there. All right? So we're going to let it go, man. We're going to start here and just keep grinding. Keep grinding. Keep grinding. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Guys, the Patreon members, you guys hook up the Patreon. You know what I'm doing? The first thing I'm doing? Buying more lights, buying a better studio, making this studio like a legit studio. Like, I'm going to make the studio legit. We're going to have so much fun on doing the show all the time. Damn, put you on the big screen. You look good. Thanks, man. Really appreciate that. Remember when we started? And shout out to Hugo. Hugo, man, you're gonna become one of the callers. What happens is eventually you become part of the inner circle. When the other lifers and my admins we represent, we see what you're doing, you become part of the inner circle. The boss, crypto life bosses. I'll bring you into the boss room. We should call it the mob table, something funny, you know? But that will be where everyone kind of gets it down, gets it in. So waves continuing to the upside, man, right? And just moving, man. Look, it's oversold on the 4 hour now. Probably going to reset. We also have swing up here. Waves kind of honestly, on the low, Waves has been slowly, everyone says ETH is the alt mover. Waves has been ahead of every run that we've had in the altcoins. I remember Waves did the first, if you guys remember, Waves did the first huge run up, right? From like 8 to something crazy. I can't believe Waves is at $35. Like, this is, we're getting into serious alt season now. Like, every coin substantially way further up than it is, and just now forming bases and continuing to go to the upside. This is hot, man. This is hot. Super, super hot. I put my Waves into audio, Audius. I might put my Waves money into Audius and run that up. I'm going to take a look at the historical data on Waves because I want to see when Waves started to move, and I want to look in. This is really key, guys. What I'm going to do right now, I know we're not doing a deep dive gem right now, and you might be like, but check it out. This stuff is important because it builds a background for you to do what you need to do, all right? We want to go to Waves. We want to go to historical data. We want to track that market cap. And that's really what I like to do. It excites me to do this because this is how you make money in the game. All right. So look. All right. So Waves market cap, $368 million. Waves is $3 a coin. I know in November. So that's when we started looking at Waves. 300. So Audius is right here, man. And look, Waves did a 10x. Waves has done a 10x from here, right? We're at $35 today. And how long? November, December, January, February, March, April, and a little bit of May. So 7 months to 10x. All right, but that's 100% a month for 7 of the 10. That's more than 100% a month. So you're making 100% a month. Think about it. An investment that pays you 100% a month. Come on, man. You can't argue against returns like that. You really can't. So, Waves, right? Beautiful thing. I like what we're seeing here for Waves. Now, you can see it got all the way to 41.33 yesterday, and now the market cap 3.6. So it did the exact 10x market cap. So look, market cap 10x, Waves 10x. So it's key to watch the market cap more than almost the price. You want to watch market cap. And you're basically looking at if a project is viable, how much is behind it, and you want to kind of balance that with how much money is in it, right? And how much money can get into it. What exchanges it's on, what's going on with it. And that to me is why I believe, yeah, I like these plays, and yeah, you could do higher risk, like Audius is like, medium risk to me. It's not high risk, it's like medium risk. Unleash your music, discover, stream, and discover and stream upcoming artists. Learn about the token, Audius, right? Wow, so you can't, isn't that crazy? 1933. Freedom to share and listen. Explore the dashboard. Wow. Active stake. API this month. Estimated weekly return rate. Not bad. 0.5%. Annual 28% on your Audius. While you're just sitting there staking it. Doing your thing. What the F is Audius is a digital streaming service that connects fans directly with artists and exclusive new music. It does this by being fully decentralized. Audius is owned and run by a vibrant open source community of artists, fans, and developers all around the world. Audius gives artists the power to share never heard music and monetize streams directly. Developers can build their own apps on top of Audius, giving them access to one of the most unique audio catalogs in existence. So yeah, pretty interesting, man. Pretty interesting. Wow. Alt season coming. Thanks for keeping the community going, bro. Yeah. Hey, bro, can you look at Constellation? The ticker is DAG. We'll take a look at that. Yeah, I actually like that. Now we're going to take a look at Rasta Finance. All right. Rasta Finance. Thank you guys so much for watching the live stream and kicking it with me. I really appreciate it. We're going to have a great day, man. Today is a beautiful day to be alive, and I'm so happy to spend my time with you guys. The crypto lifers. The crypto lifers, man. And we woke up to a 3x. I made $3,000 while I was sleeping. Probably $10,000 while I was sleeping. And that's the life, man. That's a lot. Yo, you guys are not that far from doing similar things if you're chilling with me. They say if you want to do something different with your life, if you want to be a really successful person, you hang out with people that are successful, right? You want to build real estate properties and all that, you hang out with people in real estate. You want to do sports, you hang out with people that are athletic, right? You want to trade, you hang out with traders. You want to make millions, you hang out with someone that's making millions trading. Pretty simple, right? So you go after what you know and love, and make it a passion, make it a love. So look, this thing is amazing, this indicator. It works swimmingly well. It really does. So let's take a look at it on Audius. And I think they're smart for using the audio too. Like, they got audio. So we're below. Now, we could be down here, but usually I wait for us to get back up. Look at the 4 hour. 4 hour just bouncing, which is a good sign too. A lot of times the bounce is a catalyst. So the bounce there is a good sign. Once we start to break on up with the pattern, looking pretty good to me. So with that in set, I like what I'm seeing here. That's another little trick I use. Just when I want to double check something, okay? And you want to go to the 1 hour and just use the 50-day moving average. And it's pretty insane. Look, 1 hour, we're below. Look, we tap the 50, we're gone. We come down, look, we tap the 50, boom, big moves on that 50. We go below the 50, it acts very similar to the 144-day weighted moving average, which is very similar. Interesting. And look, once we break above the 50, usually it's a catalyst for a break to the upside. I believe this is a really good buy zone right now. If we break down, we can get back here. But $2, $2.39. These are going to be really, these are going to be what an idea for me, I thought I may have just had a slight heart attack. I'm on it. I don't know. Something weird happened with my heart. I hope not, man. I hope not. I hope it was just a muscle spasm. It was a little strange. Okay. The guy from Tokenmetrics has been talking about it for months. You could possibly list your tracks on Audius. I love it, man. I love it. BZRX held awesome. Actually broke out doing a 3x on that one. Protocol for margin trading on lending protocols. I doubt Av and Compound. I don't doubt Av and Compound end up using it. I agree, man. BZRX, we'll take a look at your baby cake. BZRX. Chances of alpha hitting $40 this year. Yeah. How about call the bosses the pancake boys? I like it, man. I like that. I like it. I like it. Alt season coming. Thanks for keeping the community going, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you. You got to look at Constellation, and we also have to look at Pasta Finance. Rasta Finance, sorry. Rasta. I am a Rasta. I'm a Rasta by trade, man. Rasta rude boy. Cho. But. The BCS community with the heart of a lion. Rasta Finance. I like these beats too, though. Why? Remember yesterday the music was just... Today everything is rocking and rolling, my friends. Rocking and rolling. This thing's back to $7 and moving. This thing's kind of doing its thing, man. Take a look at the price chart for it too, which is interesting. That was new. They added that, I think, like an hour ago. Funny. There's the contract address, so we could get a look at what's going on. Wow, it's actually looking pretty beefy. It did go to $9.98. Damn, that would have been the sell. I knew it was higher at one point. You got to stay up all night. So we did a 5X technically last night. I sold around here at the 776 region. Came up, got bought back up, came back down. Just trying to see, it did retest the previous high. It's crazy how the TA works out even on these coins, which is like, you think the TA wouldn't be too relevant here, right? But it is. It's pretty like outrageously fascinating to me. Let's take a look at even the 1 minute to give. It's such a small chart. It came out like 2 days ago. Trying to get some bars on the pattern there, right? It's almost breaking out, like. So look at that. That's very interesting, right? Could be in a downtrend, but it is making a higher low right there. I might take a shot and just put one more BNB in there and let it rock and see what happens. Like, the farming alone is quite lucrative, honestly. I left for one night. I made 30 bucks off of, like, not that much money. So I was quite interested in this, to say the least. Barbecue finance. And these don't last forever. You run them for like a week or two. Some of them last 2-3 months at a time and keep rocking. Some of them do, some of them don't. We found Hyrule. Hyrule, I was playing for a long time. Hyrule Swap. I was in Hyrule Swap for a while. I liked Hyrule Swap a lot. Wow, 10,000 Roop, BNB, Ape, LP. Wow, Rupee, man, it's funny. These went down. When I was there, they went really far down, but they're back up, man. In the reservoir, 600. So you can't really beat the returns on Rupee. This has been going on for like a month, 2 months now. So Rupee's a solid project, man. It's been around. Like, I stand by on this. I love this. Add MetaMask. That's interesting. What is that? Oh, you just got to connect, they're saying. Yeah. Oh, look, add the token too now. I like this, dude. That's a new thing. So you can add the token to the MetaMask, and it has a nice little picture now. Before, they used to have just a random. Wow, they're stepping it up. They're stepping it up. So I used to farm a lot of Rupee. I used to do Rupee 10,000% APY. I mean, APR at 47, 472. This thing rocks, $192, And then you get this other coin, this Rupee thing, the Groupie. So they have Rupee and Groupie. And Groupie's been moving too. They got gambling, audits, and all that other fun stuff. Let's take a look at Rasta Finance. On a journey to Zion. Farm Rasta now. Win at the Racino. Funny. I don't play the Racino stuff because I figure, like, the trading alone. Connect directly to your wallet. The Rasta Finance connects straight to your smart chain wallet. In order to ensure swift interaction with our DeFi protocols, please find the guide on connecting to your Binance smart chain here. Farming competition, major partnerships, new listing. What's word? Senor Typhoon. I love it, man. Okay. Rasta Finance. Farm Rasta now. Funny, so you could just take this code, change the colors, make your own coin, $1.77. How long has this been out? Oh, very early. Look, 900,000 in the TVL. So that means we're dumb early on this, man. When these things just come out, that's really early on this. Actually, I can find out on the BSC scan how early this was. I'll show you how we can figure out when this came out. We go to bscscan.com. Check it out. bscscan.com, type in the DeFi, usually right here, look. And we'll go to farming. Farms, resources, yield farm list. And yeah. Panther swaps up there. I feel like this has been out a while, but can you search? Yeah, look, Rasta. So Rasta Finance came out on March 13th, 2 months ago. So it's been going for a long time. 2 months long. Interesting. Farms aren't bad. Pools are all right. Honestly, if I had to make a pick, I'd take Hyrule Swap. I think it's a more substantial product, and look, way higher returns. Like way higher returns. Right? And then you got barbecue, and you can just run anyone. Look, that's. But right now, Rupee's killing them with the highest returns in the game for the Rupee BNB. And this is just moving. Like, this thing's getting more and more. What do you see the candles on Silo? Another live call. Guys, man. Yeah. Did you guys take the call on Silo? Talked about it over and over again till I was red in the face. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I said accumulate in this box, bro. Yo, another call on the channel, man. Yo, I hit the nail on the head with this one. I gave you exactly where to buy. I said accumulate in this box. No stop loss. Let's ride it out. Look at that, man. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Dude, another one, man. I'm telling you right now, if you're in my Patreon, if you're watching the live streams, if you're part of the community, you should be making some money because I see it every damn day. Like, could it get better? That's insane. That's insane. Making me look damn good, Silo. Making me look damn good. But the TA sticks. I stick with the TA. I stick with. Wow. And there's my target, man. So this is just getting started. Had you taken my call, 33.9%, and even right now you up 25% in about a couple hours. I posted this numerous times, told everybody about it in my trading group. So if you're in my group, these are the type of calls that you're going to get. All right. And look, watch Silo accumulate in the zone. Last night at 8 o'clock. Last night at 8 o'clock. All right. Come on, man. Congratulations to anyone that got into the call. Much respect, bro. I saw only 96 people saw the call. Shout out to all 96 people. I hope people took advantage. Check out iPop Lifer, a very unique project. Low cap. Big boy, I like you and I see you, so I got you. You've been a part of the group for a long time. But normally, that's a super chat. You should super chat just for the love, just to help other people learn. Teach the newbies what to do. You know, even if it's like a couple bucks, just teach the newbies how to do it. So they're like, oh, you send the guy super chat so he can make a living, right? So he doesn't work for free for 3 hours straight. So check it out. Let's take a look at Outlook, because I didn't look at Outlook. Outlook Therapeutics, no, that's not what we're going for. Waves, Outlook, and Dot. And guys, if you have a stock, I will go over your stock if you have a super chat for a stock. I'm not completely anti-stock. I kind of am, but if you need help on something, what I'm trying to tell you, if you need help on something, I'll do it. We'll take care of it. Like, we'll get it done. So, like, if you're in a trade and you want to know where to, you know, and it's a stock, I'll help you out. Don't you worry about it. Don't you worry, my friends. Don't you worry. I think I'm going to enter Hyrule Swap and play it because it's been going so well for so long, man. It really has. Look, I want the chart. Ape Swap info. Stats. And all you have to do is you go to the Medium. They should just put the address like right here. Like, why isn't the address just blaring out? You know what I'm saying? BTC. Oh yeah, BTC is gonna do really well. Where do you buy Silo? KuCoin, guys. KuCoin. KuCoin. All right. I'm gonna give you a KuCoin referral link right now. Help you out. Get you going in the game. All right. Go to this link. Hooks me up. Hooks you up. Yeah, I saw it the night it came out on CMC, but didn't pick it up. So Hyrule Swap, man. The Legend of Zelda. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, this thing is hot, bro. Flash loans. They're moving on this thing, man. They've been doing a lot of work on this. They really have. And shout out to this team because they work hard. They work really hard. Hyrule Swap. Doing its thing in the game. Do you do any mining? I don't do any mining. I'd like to, though. Lifer, you forgot to check. Pop. I didn't forget to check it. I'll do it. But thank you for reminding me. What is the best coin to transfer into KuCoin? They take BNB, bro. So send BNB right to KuCoin. Nice and easy peasy. Right out of your MetaMask. Whatever you need to do. Send it on in there and get it going, right? Or you just open up the tab. What do you think of helium mining? You know, you told me about it before. I don't know about it yet. Mantra DAO is bottomed. Oh, that's sad. I'm glad I didn't get into that. I got into Maha DAO. Silo, baby. Did you get into Silo, Kevin? Great call, Lifer, man. I know, right? Silo was so predictable. Been trading it for weeks. Thanks for telling me, Tenacious Tim. Funny. So you've been trading it for weeks, but hadn't given me one call yet. Love you guys. I love when I flip that on people. I'm like, oh, cool. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know. I always give my friends shit for that. I'm like, guys, I give you everything that I do and help you guys, but like, my buddy's in the stock market and he gives me like one call, and I'm like, come on, bro. Me pad going to 25x. Yeah, for sure it is, bro. Hey, Lifer, been listening since you had 4K subs. So happy to see you got this thing spinning. Joining your Patreon right now. Shout out to Market K, man. Thank you so much, man. You can get the free helium cool spot and easy passive income. Check out the Emirate. They deploy the spots in the miners. What's the best decentralized exchange for swaps over 10,000? I don't know what he means by that. I'm feeling Algo long term. They have one of the only carbon neutral blockchains. Algo is amazing, guys. I'm all about algorithm, bro. $50 and 20 coins versus $100 and 10 coins. It depends, man. How about $30 and 30 coins? Yeah, I did a while back. He's like, yeah, I did a while back. Maybe that's why I looked. You probably did tell me. That's why I probably did. That's why I probably traded. Did you go over Xnalia? No. Share my portfolio the first this month. I'm currently up 34%, 7 coins in the green. Nice, man. Nice, bro. What's the best trading platform to use? Coinbase Pro? And I don't love it. I use Binance, but I control everything with an API, with an outside API. So everything I'm doing is with 3 commas, guys. I'm using 3 commas all the time to get things going, to get things working. And I can handle all these exchanges at once. And then you can open even 2 3 commas accounts if you need to. They're like $14 a month, right? And then you can run multiple accounts from both of those accounts. Like, it can get crazy. KuCoin is really awesome, really amazing. I got a referral link for you guys if you want to take a look at KuCoin. Sign up right there with my referral link. Really, really appreciate it. Guys, I also do one-on-one tutoring. Every single day, if you'd like one-on-one tutoring, I am open. I keep a schedule for tutoring. What I do is I give you proper risk management. I show you how to chart. I show you my 15 years of the things that I've been doing to get you where you could go. You know, I've been trading for 15 years, gold and silver. Before I got into Bitcoin, I started in the commodities market, in the commodities trading. But look, this is going to be my entire schedule, right? And this will show you when I'm open. So say you were getting ready and you're excited. You're like, I want to get going. I just started. And I think for people who are just getting in, and for experts and beginners, whoever, some people want to talk about their portfolio and go in depth. I'll give you as much information as I can, and we'll kind of do a deep dive together. It's really a great time. I love going through portfolios and consulting. So there's portfolio and consulting, but there's also tutoring. So look, Saturday, May 8th, I'm open. 3:30, 3 o'clock, whatever day you want, come on in, right? Actually, I'm not open Saturday, May 8th. My wife's got to take that off because I got a soccer game. Friday, anytime you want right here on Friday, book a session. And that's easy, man. Had to come home for a moment and just heard you share your course. Wow, Sam, I'm standing in line. You will serve so many. And that's just who you are. Have you heard of MemePad? Yes, we love MemePad, and we bought MemePad live on the show. Lifer, when you go to Hyrule Exchange, does it take you to ApeSwap? No, it does not. Oh, yes, it will. Yeah, Hyrule wants it. Yeah, Hyrule is ApeSwap. They want to use ApeSwap. And, you know, that might have been another reason. I never really put two and two together why ApeSwap started getting pretty big, because Hyrule's a pretty nice project, right? And you think, okay, well, yeah, they take you to ApeSwap. They just want you to use ApeSwap. That's all. That makes sense, because they want you to use ApeSwap instead of PancakeSwap. You know, they're kind of pushing the narrative. ApeSwap, $8.17. Really not going anywhere, man. ApeSwap went bananas. My team did a 10x on it. Shout out to the lifers. You guys ran ApeSwap up. I personally didn't get in, but you guys ran ApeSwap up like you read about. You guys, my team also ran PantherSwap up. Guys did a 10x. We started in at 48 cents. It went all the way to $5. In the last week, you guys, we've hit so many Binance Smart Chain gems, like one every few days. Last night, I hit BBQ Finance. Nailed it. Now, 739s. This thing is just, looks like it's just starting to grow, man. Starting to grow. And I like, look, price chart. They all should have a price chart right there. If this guy can have a price chart, they all should have a price chart. You know? Why not? Look, GoSwap. Binance, BSC charts, GoSwap. Open Telegram. Look at this. This is something new, right? GoSwap. Okay, I just want to see the mobile app. Telegram, BSC charts, GoSwap, bro. This is awesome. We're going to add this to the bookmark of crypto deep dives. Damn, I love it, man. Search by contract address. I love this, man. And there's their coin, Gofi, in the dumps, but this is another one of those awesome projects. Yo, it's gonna get easier and easier for us. How do you chart that BBQ? It never showed the chart. Yes, it did. Yeah, it did. You're sleeping. Look right here. It shows the chart right here. It's starting to make a move to the upside, honestly. To me, if it breaks this level up here, I wish I got back in on the low at 670. That was really it. 670 or like 620. I can't believe that. This thing's looking nice. Heard of Bonfire? What do you think? I put like $1,500 into Bonfire. I'll be honest. Gary Vee on the Crypto Banter today had probably announced some kind of NFT play. He moves markets. That's crazy, man. Heard of Bonfire? What do you think? Honestly, I own $1,500 worth of Bonfire. I do. I'm just letting it out there. You know, I own some Bonfire. See where it goes. We're gonna play that game, and yeah, we'll take a look at Bonfire for you because I want to know where it's going as well. Doge, easy, Elon tweet pump, right? Hey mate, why is such a lot of price difference from Ethereum USD on Kraken and Coinbase? It's like $20 difference. I mean, if that's the case, I would take advantage of that arbitrage right away. I bet it's a glitch. I don't believe that, honestly. It's too good to be true, and other people would be taking advantage of the arbitrage, so I don't believe it, but it could be right. You're probably right. I don't know. There is arbitrage in the game, though, so know that there is arbitrage. And what is arbitrage? It's buying on one exchange and selling on another. Wow, they sold that whole candle down, though. They sold that whole candle down back to previous support, which is crazy. But still, we bounced out of the pattern. Let's see how we can go. Silo, man. It does pump and dump a lot. Like, got a lot more wicks than most things that we normally see, right? Explain arbitrage. Arbitrage, well, you know, you guys were just talking about Gary Vee, right? He did garage sale arbitrage, right? Shout out to the $2, the £2, bro. Can Doge reach $1? Yes, it definitely will. Doge will reach $1. Mark my words, Doge will reach $1. Wallets must be open to Arbit, though. KuCoin is the next Dogecoin. It's funny, I bought KuCoin in 2017 for about a penny. It was one of the first big coins I ever put. I put 10 grand in it. I was like, I'm gonna sell it for 100 grand when it gets all the way to 10 cents. I think I sold it 7 cents, but I made a killing on KuCoin, man. Shout out to KuCoin, one of my babies since the beginning, man. One of my babies since the beginning. Whoops, KuCoin's starting to break out. See, KuCoin's going to do what Audius is about to do. There's going to be a move in these coins, man. We're starting to get a resurgence. Look at that. Scared money don't make money. Last night I was like, all right, man, I'm taking the shot. Jump into BBQ. We'll take a look at Brick Finance too. Is it still struggling? My baby Brick. Can I get my BNB back? Brick Chain. Was a little down in the dumps recently. Let's see what happened. I got in at 6, right? So it's a 3.8. It's not bad. We're only down like 30%. We can hand on $1,000, so you know, not too bad. Shout out to the 199, man. Much respect to everyone here on the live stream. Can we get to 200 watchers? We're so close. Can we get to 200 watchers? Tell your family, friends. Let's push this. Get the likes up, guys. Come on, get the energy up. I know we can get to 200, man. I know we can do it. I believe in you guys. I believe in you guys. I believe in us. I believe in the lifers, man. I believe in the lifers. We can get all the way to 200 easily. 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 A lot of people are saying this one will be shorter than expected. Yeah, you never know. Nobody knows. Everybody talking about Doge. Now it's the rage. Dude, Litecoin is a beast. I'm holding 56 Litecoins, and I'm a happy man that I am. KuCoin's starting to break on out, and I see it going to some crazy highs. It's at 4 cents right now. You can get this on Binance. Just something to think about. KuCoin, and it's a decentralized web app, and it's been around for 4 years. It's not going anywhere. Boys out of MIT too, so they were hometown guys. KuCoin out of Boston, representing my dudes, man. Market cap is only 2 billion. Oh, that's a big market cap at 2 billion. That's interesting. Could easily 10x though. KuCoin, man. Can you look at Mochi Swap? I'm glad you do live every day. We need this. Yeah, a lot of people are saying, yeah. No, every single day, guys. Every single day. Can we get the likes up to 180 likes? Can we get 100, 200 people here? And can we give a good big shout out to the 5 people that hit the dislike button? Because those people like being poor. If you hit the dislike button, we know you like being poor. So, hey, dude, I got you. Been doing printing for 20 years. Yo, what do you mean you've been doing printing? Can you help me? You have a new 99 Patreon. Just wanted to say that. And put 5 on it, dude. Look at this, a new Patreon, and he put 5 on it. Dude, home for the moment. Just heard you share your course. Wow, Sam, I'm standing first in line. You will be so many. That's who you are. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that, Denise. Much respect. Shout out to Kevin Dam with the hot dog. My dude. Recommend my peeps to show after the gains I made yesterday. Thank you so much, man. What do you think about Pancake Yield Aggregator? Is it legit? Yes. We love the Pancake Yield Aggregator, and I'm using it right now all the time, and I'm on Pancake Bunny, Pancake Swap, doing my thing. Shout out to all the subscribers coming on in, and thank you so... Oh, that was a hot one. That was a hot one. Look at that. Bam. Thank you so much for the super chats. Much respect to everyone throwing down, showing their support, showing their love. Robbie Winner, if it's not a glitch, you buy it for cheaper on one exchange and then send it over to the other platform and sell it for 20 more. Yeah, that's what arbitrage. Hot dog for the BBQ. Funny, man. Funny. So now I got to know what to do. Like, I got scared money. I got monies. What do I do with my 6 BNBs? It's about 3 racks, right? We got this going. Look, we're staking in here, so we got that running. Then we bought MePad, right? We bought MemePad. Why is Brick so low? Guys, another thing, if you want to know what coins you hold, you go to BSC Scan. Go to BSC Scan, paste your address right here, okay? I'm not going to do it, but if you were to do it, paste your address. And then right here, you'll see a window and a little box, a little square box. Hit the square box. It opens up, and it shows you everything, man. It shows you everything. Let's take a look at light, because I do want to get into some light. So let's look at light. I gotta make a video about the Lightning Network. Lightning Network, crypto. Or Lightning Swap, right? Or something. I'll just go to light on CoinGecko. Shout out to everyone. Can we get up to 200 people watching this stream, man? Let's get it up. Let's get it up. Okay. Let me give you guys some gems. I'm going to show you how to find a gem right now, live on the camera. And then we're going to take a look at what he's talking about. KuCoin, guys, this is a buy right now, screaming buy. I'm going to give you a call right now on KuCoin. All right? Giving you a call for a long position. I would buy in around here. There is zones. I like to talk about zones, but I buy in around here. And I put the stop loss right here below this line. Very simple. And I would enter the trade. Okay. It's a call for KuCoin. And I put it out there to my trading, in case anyone needs this. But this is a call for KuCoin here. Don't do anything you see me do on this channel. None of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor. Follow me at Twitter at CryptoLifer33. Okay. Also, a lot of people don't realize I am on Instagram. And I don't mind getting the love there. I'm going to be more active there than I've been recently. Follow me at CryptoLifer, aka Sam Price. Believe that's the handle. At CryptoLifer. Yeah, aka Sam Price. Follow me there. 11,200 followers, and we're blowing up. We're blowing up on Instagram. So come on in, man. There's a link to the channel. Talk a little bit more about myself. See more things about what I do with my family and my day. I might, be a little more intimate. Catch some behind the scenes gems. Football games, stuff like that. Taking walks in the park. This is a walkway that I built with my own bare hands. Pretty crazy. Yeah, I built a walkway last summer because I was like, you know what? I need a walkway. So I demolished it with my own. I did it all by myself. I did all this stuff by myself like a beast, man. And then I built this yard here, this thing. Turned it into that. It looked like this. I turned it into that. Really, really beautiful. So, yeah, man. Planning, doing all my thing. I love gardening. I love working. This is me just working it. All right. That's enough about me. So, KuCoin, man, just gave you a call right here live on the channel. KuCoin, man. KuCoin. Now, if you're a Patreon member, this gets put in the exclusive calls and charts only. And right off the bat, you just get calls sent to you all day long. All day long, guys. All day long. All right? All right, I told you guys, hot, win, are all going to make their moves back to the upside. Everything is kind of forming the same. Once Bitcoin pops, they're going to move. Another call here on the channel, right? Don't sleep on this stuff, man. My buy zones last like a week or two, if we're lucky. So look, buy zone, stop up below this line, in my opinion. And that's why it's so much easier, right? Just be like, bam. So stop loss below that line. That line's going to be at 01070. Always hit the links whenever I send these charts in too. Hit the links. The links are going to basically show you how to trade these, right? They're going to make it clearer so you can see all the information. You can see the target. You can see the profit. You can see everything you need, right? This is Wink, guys. Wink is consolidating in a bowl. You buy the right side of the bowl, you buy the middle part of the bowl, and you buy the right touch in the bowl. There's 3 places, usually 3 to 5, but those are the top 3. And then you let it go. And that's how you play these charts. And that's how you make a lot of money, right? Okay, guys. And guys, I told all my Patreons to sell Doge last night at 68. I showed them there was bearish divergence and I got out of Doge. Bam. So I just, not only are you getting into trades, you're getting out of trades, you're finding out about yield farming. It's like there's no other trading group like this. The other trading groups are just signal groups. This is not a signal group as much as we probably give more signals than the signals group, but we give you guys so much more, man. We really do. And I'm on it every day. You guys are my everything. You guys are all I care about. You are part of my whole life is this. You guys become my life. You see how much effort I put into my live stream? That's how much effort I'm putting into you when you put in the 99. So just remember that, man. There would be no one who feels it on their back more than me. There'd be no one that pushes harder more than me. There'll be no one that dedicates themselves harder more than me. Or just as much, man. And I'm sure there's someone out there dedicated, right? Let's get that money, Sam. Shout out to Mike Jordan for the super chat. Much respect to you, bro. Shout out to everyone for the super chats. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything here. Much respect to everyone, guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome, man. That's all there is to it. You guys are absolutely awesome. And didn't he send in the super chat twice? Block time, a great deep dive. It's too cheap. Let's take a look at block time. So we're missing a few things. Funny crypto YouTuber, right? Chances Alpha hitting 40 this year. Yeah, I believe it could. Let's take a look at Alpha for you, man, on that super chat. We're going to revisit all these things that we can. Alpha. $1.98 for Alpha Finance. It's been struggling with this $2 region, right? For a while now. Because I've been in this trade too. And I didn't expect it to battle out this long, honestly. So here's our buy zone. We gave you the trade. Had you taken the trade, you're in the trade now. And you're up. Right? So congrats to anyone that took my trade right here. Alpha, buy zone, stop loss, another trade doing its thing. Right? So, and ride it all the way out. My target's all the way up there at basically a bean. Damn. Now, do you want to get into Alpha? Now, let's break it down now. I like to look at it, re-look at my work again and reposition myself. Could be forming the cup and handle. To me, it's starting to form a bit of a handle. Where does the handle end and begin? We will look by support and resistance. We'll couple support and resistance with the handle. All right. How do you find the bottoms of things? How do you know when something's bottomed out? Okay. It's divergence. Divergence creates the bottom. Swing down to swing down here. Swing up to swing up here on the price. These do not match. When these do not match, it tells me that I can long into the price, usually at the end of a falling wedge. So if I'm at the end of a falling wedge with divergence, I also talk about when the moving averages get tight. They got tight right there. This whole area here, you want to start recognizing this over and over again and understanding how to use it to your advantage. It's right here again. There's the divergence. Let me show you again. This stuff just does the same stuff over and over again. Like right here. You want to learn how to catch pumps. They're the same on the daily. You got to learn your patterns. Anyone who tells you pattern trading is whatever, I don't know. I've heard it from many people. Oh, I don't do patterns. Patterns don't really work. I mean, I'm giving you guys play after play after play. So you tell me whether patterns work. You tell me. Swing down to swing. The reason why patterns work is because patterns get created by divergence. So of course patterns work because divergence is real. So look, this swings down, but that swings down way more. They'll hit each other in infinity. That's what you call divergence. Boom, a break to the upside. Beautiful, beautiful, right? And now it starts to make, and then the moving averages get tight again. If you go to the 4 hour and you see the 200-day moving through the bottom of the pattern or near the last 25% like this, another catalyst. If the moving averages get that tight, that's another place you want to get in. Okay? So now we try to look for these similarities here, and we got really tight. That was our entry right there. At the falling wedge breakout, right? That was our entry. We broke out. Now we're going to retest previous support, which we did already. So wow, now there's another call there for Alpha because we're testing that previous support line. High probability we do not go any lower than that. That's going to be a call right now, 197. So there's the zone. So if you missed Alpha, but you like Alpha and it's on your radar for whatever reason, you feel like you want to get in, I believe there's going to be a nice play for Alpha here. And again, a lot of my trades take 6 weeks, 8 weeks. I've had trades take 12 weeks. Okay? I'm okay with that. It's about having that money when it's all said and done, man. Doesn't matter how long it takes for me to get that money, as long as I'm not dead. So we're 17% to make to make 100. Not my favorite trade, 5-1. I'd like to shave it, but we're a little risky with this 200. I wouldn't like my stop loss right now below anywhere higher than the 200. I want this 200 to come into play. And look, on the 4 hour, we're getting a golden cross. The 4 hour, the 50-day moving average just crossed the 200. The last time we got a golden cross was right around here, and that was a catalyst to a gigantic move to the upside. So Alpha Finance, man, there's the call for it. Open open right there. Stop loss, target, call it a day, do your thing. Bam, bam. Cup and handle action going, you know. Love y'all, man. I love y'all so much. What I do after the stream, I do a bunch of these. The other day I did 20 of these. 20 of them. And remember that, guys, there's a lot of calls. If you're a Patreon, guys, real quick, there's a lot of calls that are still in the old charts and calls room. Do not give up on this room. Like a lot of calls are still very viable in here. Go through this and make a double check of everything. You know, Bake, fine. We went through Bake. We went through Burger. We went through Trias. All of these went very well. Bake, Burger, and Trias. These calls all nailed it. Nailed it. So everyone can attest in my Patreon that it's a great time. Today we have our first, today we have our weekly meeting. Everything's, you know. So I'm super excited about that. It's just funny, man. Look, market open. These are the biggest YouTubers, and they're all talking about what we're talking about now. They all came back to us. They all got into our world, which I find absolutely cool and insane, right? Because they are the biggest YouTubers. So Meet Kevin is going to pump my YouTube channel. BitBoy indirectly pumps my YouTube channel. You'd say how? Well, he did an interview and does ongoing collaborations with Crypto Love. Crypto Love did an interview with me, and I hope we do another collaboration in the future. And so people go to BitBoy's channel, they find Crypto Love, then they go to Crypto Love's channel, and then they found me. So I'm only 2 people away from BitBoy. I've connected myself by the degrees of Kevin Bacon to BitBoy pretty easily, right? So I'm really thinking about selling one of my stocks I'm big on for Bitcoin Cash. What do you think Bitcoin Cash can do in the next 3 to 6 months? Also waiting for it to dip. I don't know if I should buy at the highs right now. What's the next penny coin that's going to blow up like Doge, in your opinion? We got so many, but that's like, what's the version of Trading 4 do you use? I want to learn the knowledge you have, and when I become a Patreon, I will have the tools I need to make it easier for you to teach me. I like to hear what you just said. You're a serious guy. You want to get going? It's TradingView, and honestly, it's very simple. All the links are here in my videos, guys. Join my Telegram. Join TradingView, the best real-time charting software. Right here, join TradingView. And this helps me. These are all referral links that help the channel, right? Follow me on Twitter at CryptoLifer33. Much respect if you follow me on Twitter. Wow, we're blowing up on Twitter, man. You guys are hooking it up. Every few days, more and more followers, man. I really appreciate it. Much respect, guys. Much respect. Everyone that's freaking following me here should follow me over there. This is kind of funny. Look at this. I'm looking at Doge like, my mind's telling me no, but my body is telling me yes. Oh, man. When you think about what he did, that's kind of a creepy thing to think about. What, like that, when you think about what, oh gosh, I can't, yeah. Look at this. The Carters took pictures with the Bidens, and the Bidens look like giant people, and the Carters look like small people. This is kind of funny, man. Twitter, man. You gotta love Twitter, man. Peloton always trending on Twitter, man. All the time. All the time. What's up, sweetheart? You want to say something?
In a few days, it's gonna be Mother's Day.
Say something.
I'm already making a card for Mother's Day in school.
Okay. Do you want to say something to the live stream?
Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and always subscribe. You can always watch this one.
At another time. Look into the camera, not at yourself.
I am looking
All right, come on, wait. Don't hit my lights. Please, be easy out here. There's a little different setup today. All right, thank you, sweetheart. I love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye. Okay, guys, facts, highlighter, yeah. All right, did we miss anything here? Did we miss any super chats? Trying to go through it. DAG, yeah, Constellation. We went over Constellation about 2-3 months ago. So hard, man. You gotta focus. Really, to make money, you gotta focus. You gotta write down how much money you have. You gotta write down a list of 10 or 15 coins. Then you gotta deep dive them all. Then you gotta write down a list of 10. Then you gotta get your find 5. Then you make your move, right? Right? So DAG, D-A-G. Constellation. Up 8%. Ooh, it did some moves since we... No, okay, no, not too long. I do like CoinGecko's kind of look at it. Constellation. Show me. Constellation is an open source platform you can use to create a blockchain, cryptocurrency, or decentralized application. Submit your project. Introducing Hypercube. Discover Hypercube. They'll do it for you, though. The purpose of this call is for proposals to gather interest for business or individuals to look to build blockchain, cryptocurrency, into applications of the Hypergraph network. Constellation launched its public network and is now in the window of deploying Hypercube, a user-friendly, self-serve interface complete with open-source developer tools for any individual or business. Hey, guys, if you want to help me, I want to make a coin. The coin's called NVO. NVIO, non-violence. It stands for non-violence. Too many kids are watching violent programming, and I want to make a community about non-violent programming. Programming that teaches them how to cook, teaches them how to grow, teaches them how to be nice to somebody, teaches them how to, we could do documentaries about helping old people. We could do, and so I want all the content on the NVO site to be non-violent. It's going to be NVO, non-violent programming, right? It's sad to even have to use the word violent in there. Maybe you guys have a better idea, but NVO is the coin. I need a developer. I need a coder. I want to start working on it. I'm putting the word out there. So guys, if you know somebody, if you could put me in touch with somebody, if you get to a dev, if you know someone that can work, I want to make NVO coin, non-violent programming. All right, very simple. The idea behind it is this: you would come up with your project. You could write a proposal, even edit like a 1-minute trailer. It doesn't have to be amazing, enough to tell us what it is. You post it on the site, right? You get like it's like a YouTube type of thing where you can post and make a profile. So you make a profile on the site. And then what happens is people watch the video, and if they like your project, they buy the NVO token, and then they send it to you, right? And they fund you. Once you get to your limit of NVO, right, you can sell it for money that you can then use for your project, or you can even use the NVO into another, whatever you need to do. Now you can fund your project. Then the people, when you sell your project to the open market, when it goes to a Netflix or a streaming software, the people that paid you an NVO coin actually get a percentage of the money that they gave to you. So it's direct ownership, it's direct investment ownership. It propels on non-violent programming, and it would be a good thing like to leave as legacy for my daughter. There's too much violent programming out here, and that's my idea. If anyone wants to help me make that idea, it's my dream. I believe we can do it, and yeah. I believe we can do it, man. Oi, Rodney, what do you need to look at BNB for? You know it's just going to go up. You know it's just going to go up to the upside. It's just going to keep going up. You can make your own BSC coin on cointool.app. Interesting. Can we look at BNB? So late, what did I miss? Sorry, thank you so much for the 7 pound. Oi, Rodney, I appreciate you, man. Okay, so I gave you the call. First buy zone was down here. I gave you the buy zone right here to get into BNB at 525. It's now at 648. I gave you another buy zone right here, and it's really kind of focused in there. Look, pretty much doing its thing in this buy zone here. So could we kind of continue in this way? Yes, we can. This is a higher low from there. All we need to do is make a higher high. I like what we're seeing. BNB continuing to the upside. And now look, it's even testing the previous high. See how the previous high was here, came back for the test. That is textbook retest. That tells you there's strength in these regions. A lot of money came into the market, guys. A lot of money came into the market. You know, this is basically what we're going to see. We're going to see another one of these. We're going to see another one of these. I feel like, David, you know where BNB is going. You know it's going all the way. I mean, there's my target for BNB all the way up there. Just another call live on the channel. Free calls, guys. And that's why, like, if you join my Patreon, like, some people join my Patreon just because they've made so much money for free on the live. Like, there's many different reasons people join the Patreon. You know, I know, stuck with bags of it after this morning. You're not stuck with it, bro. That's a really good thing to have bags of. All right? That's a really good thing to have bags of. I know your plan didn't work out, and I'm upset by it, but I thought I was going to win a Tesla. I truly believed I was going to be one of the 3 people to win the Tesla. Like, I already saw it in my driveway. Like, it had happened already, right? So, yeah. Okay, another call, and the charts and calls only, man. Because not everybody can watch the live stream, and I understand that. I understand that. Okay, let's take a look at Ether, man. We didn't take a look at ETH yet, and we didn't take a look at the total market cap. So look, that's what's called a flag. All right, that's a beautiful flag. Actually, it's a diamond. It's a bit of a diamond pattern. Funny, but no, it's a bit of a flag. It's an interesting flag to say the least, but I like it. I like it. This is legit. This is so legit. So another call for Ethereum, because that shows strength, right? You know that strength. So Ether's about to rock again. And you tell you, we have a target at 4,000. So we weren't playing around. We gave you this call. Shout out to anyone that took the call on ETH, because we gave you the call right here when it was in this pennant. And we said to buy at the bottom of the pattern or the breakout. So we gave you the call for ETH about $2,251. We gave you the call for ETH. That's where the call came on Ethereum, USDT. So it is what it is, man. Bam, another beautiful call. Double bottom too. Look, I talk about the fundamentals, guys. This is what I teach every day when I'm tutoring and I'm going at it. And I want you guys to know, like, and so you have a rising wedge, which is a 32% chance of break to the downside. But I talk about if they break out parabolically. $4,000 ETH on the way, my friends. On the way. On the way. Beautiful, beautiful ETH. And look, there's a kind of a trade for ETH right there. Let's see what's going on with the rest of the oscillators. I point to the downside on the 1 hour. Says we just go sideways for a little more, right? Not a big deal. We could even open this up and it could go like this. That's what I kind of think is going to happen. That's what I'm projecting based on the information given to me. See, you don't use the word I think in trading. That's what I'm projecting based on the information given to me. Okay? All right, Echo Tamer, Bubba Joe. I got you, bro. I got you, man. So check it out. ETH, man, coming down to the bottom of the pattern. That would be my buy zone. I like the price coming to me. I like when the price comes right to daddy, right? So there's your buy zone for ETH for the next pump to the upside. That's the aggressive buy. That's what I do. And again, the market could crash and it could be, you get hurt there. Anything is possible, but aggressive buy. If you missed ETH, this is the aggressive buy for Ethereum right there. Bam. And then breaking all the way to the upside. Bam. So I like, not many people are using the long game. I like the long game, man. There's a few other ones too, but this one works for me. And I had to change the settings to like locking it, if you guys remember. Stop loss right there. That's a beautiful trade. Risk 4% to gain 23%. I mean, that's a beautiful trade right there. Saves me so much. I make so many more calls now that I just put that up there. Wow. Right? My love, a lot of people are joining and they need the link. All right. Yeah, don't worry. If you just joined Patreon, please let me. I'll get to you guys. I'll get to you guys. I'll get to you guys. Might take an hour or two, but you'll get into the group. You know, doesn't take you. Usually, it's no less than 2-3 hours to get you into the group, unless it's like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. American time. You know, I got otherwise we're running.
Daddy, did you say something to mommy? Yes. Did you say something to mommy?
I love you. You're so sweet. What a beautiful day to be alive, man. I love y'all. I love y'all, man. This may be dumb, but how do I place a stop loss on Binance? That's not dumb, man. No question is dumb. You know, like, why are you supposed to know everything? You know what I'm saying? Why are you supposed to know everything, man? You know? Stop loss is it's a little difficult. It takes some getting used to. That's what we're here for, man. That's what we're here. We're here. It's all about the beginner, man. It's all about the beginner. So check it out right here. Look. You're getting into the order, right? You got your stop limit right here on the right. You click stop limit. All right, how to use a stop loss. A stop loss order will be executed at a specific, potentially better price after a given stop price has been reached. So you want to do a stop limit. Once the stop price is reached, the stop limit order becomes available. Okay? So explanation of terms. Stop price. When the current price reaches the given stop price, the stop limit order is executed to buy or sell at the limit price or better. Limit price. So you put a stop and a stop limit. Your stop would be like, you know, $4.98. Your limit order might be $4.94, right? Or it might be the other way around. It might be $4.94. It might be $5.01, right? So a stop price that triggers the limit order. Limit is the standard limit order. So the stop price and then the limit. So you do what's called a stop limit order. You put two numbers in there. You put two numbers in. You put the number where the price hits to create the limit order, and then if the price hits the limit order, you get the limit order. It's the best way to trade. It's the smartest way to trade. You want prices to come down to you, so you would put a limit order here, and then a stop trigger, right? And if you're from Asia, we even have the you know, how you do it. You do it down here. You hit stop limit. So you stop there. You put the limit there. Okay. So you hit stop limit. You put the stop there. You put the right here. Stop here. Limit. If you were selling, if you were buying, you're probably not going to be using a stop limit. I mean, you might, but mostly stop limits for me are buying, you know. Then you can go down and there's an OCO. One cancels the other. And you could put a take profit or a stop loss. Okay? Yeah, we like Car Anomaly. We think it's really good. I think it's going to do very, very well. Cummies just keeps going, honestly. I was going to get into it last night. Rocket. It is, you know, I didn't want to cover it. I was trying to stay off of it. But honestly, I'm not going to deny money. Like, and I know it's a kind of a, you know, a topic not everybody wants to get into. Right? But Cummies is blasting off, man. Let's look at Token Sniffer, see what's new today. Hashikita doing its thing. Doge Dog Token. Web3 Push. Doge Booster. Quan. Sienna. 39 minutes ago. Actually has a real name. Sienna Network. Privacy meets DeFi. Sienna is a privacy-first cross-chain decentralized finance platform where you can privately swap, lend, and convert your tokens in their private equivalent. Launching in early May. Altcoin Buzz. 3 times. Private step. Sienna. Privacy first. I might cover this. This is interesting. I like privacy coins, so I should do a whole video on the top 5 privacy coins. Honestly, that's really what I should be doing. That's a great idea, actually. I get great ideas during the live stream. Usually that's when I get the great ideas. I don't have a pen. I don't write it down. And then I forget them. It's great. It's awesome, right? $50 on 20 coins, $100 on 100 coins. Life. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. We almost got to the 200. We got to 186. We got a nice high. Aaliyah did drop. You know why? There was a guy scalping. The guy was scalping the bots, so he was playing games with us, man. He was playing games. Yeah, he was a bot. There was a bot scalping on us every single time. That's what someone pointed out to me when he looked at the chain and the block, and we figured out the address and everything. I'd buy a bag of NVO. Dope, bro. LTC is leading, so in my opinion, Zeke and Monero will follow, correct? Yes, very correct. That's what happens. When Litecoin moves, then the larger caps start to move with them. Very good. And then it's going to leak into the medium cap, small cap, and then we're going to see an explosion in the whole market like you've never seen. And that's where the fun starts to happen, bro. So get ready, guys. In the next couple weeks, like, prepare, because you're going to see some fireworks like you've never thought possible. Will I get my low buy on waves? Maybe. Could it be forming this? And is it going to come down and touch the 21? Come on, waves. Do your thing, baby. Come on down. I needed to come on down because I sold her high. But I sold her oversold in the daily, and she's got to come back down. She will. She's got to be patient, man. You got to be patient. So cash out of Lifer, you forgot to buy a light. I know, I did. So much to do, so little time. Safe Moon up huge. Wow, Safe Moon. Yes. 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 So tonight on the live with everybody, my Patreons, it's going to be exciting. I'm going to share every single coin that I own, guys. Every single coin. We're going to go over, if we have the time. Maybe we don't even have the time. Oh, man. I don't even know every coin that I own. I have to go to BSC Scan to find out. I can't even remember at this point. The daily just milling out there, but kind of the end of the red. The end of the red. Oversold. Hidden bullish divergence on the daily. And oversold coming up. I think this is about to explode. And I've been saying that. I never sold my Safe Moon. Not a piece. Not a piece, baby. Not a piece. And look, higher lows, guys. It's all about the little game, right? Look, this is a double bottom, is it not? That's a double bottom that usually breaks to the upside. Just saying. Just saying, right? Safe Moon, man. Thanks for all the info, man. Been watching you for the last few weeks and really informative. I just joined your Patreon trying to get this bag. $5. Yo, thank you so much, Shaolin Kaz, man. Patreon's blowing up. You guys are blowing it up, man. You guys are unbelievable. Much respect to everyone here in the live, man. Much respect. Love y'all, man. Milestones in life, man. Milestones. Every one of you guys. We're hitting milestones, baby. We're hitting milestones. Woo! It's good to be alive, baby. It's good to be alive. It's good to be alive out here in this crazy world we call life. I'm buying a Tesla with Safe Moon. Who isn't, baby? Who isn't? Shout out to Harvey Kaplan, my dude. Yeah, we all should buy Safe Moon Teslas and just put Safe Moon on the license plates and then meet up somewhere. Lifer, can you analyze gamers, GMing finance? You should check it out. Hold on, I got to do DAG for my dude. I didn't forget you, bro. I forget people temporarily, but I have bad short-term memory, but good long-term memory. If that makes any sense. But it does. If you read up on it, it does. DAG. Why can't I get DAG over here? Maybe I can get it on the big boys, right? DAG. We gave way more calls. My channel just gave way more calls than any other channel that I see. King DAG. That's pretty interesting. King DAG on Bittrex. Right? Random thoughts. Grabs lighter. 2K into 20K with Cum Rocket this week. Don't miss out, guys. Damn, man. It's a little late, though, isn't it? Cybertruck's been on order from day one. That's crazy, bro. You ordered the Cybertruck already? Oh, wow. You're the man, dude. Ethereum Classic went to 150 on Coinbase? Bro, wow. The Patreon stream is going to be on a Zoom call, I believe. It does make sense. My memory is full of crap since I was 5. Yes, it's going to be on a Zoom call. Some type of link. I'm going to find a screen share software. We're going to figure it out. You can make bags just watching this channel. You really can. You really can. That's the point. You're supposed to make so much money that $99 Patreon is a joke to you. Hi, man. Can you analyze regional finance, the project and market cap and supply? Thanks, man. I really hope you could take a look. I just bought a bag of it. You got to do a super chat, my friend. You got to do a super chat for something like that. That's just how it works. It just kind of, you know what it is? You feel good when you pay for something because you get the value. You get the value back. And you feel good that you kind of paid your way to me. So it just kind of helps out. All right? Doge is weird now. But guys, anyone who's smart knew that there was going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news with the Saturday Night Live thing, right? It's the first time like we were able to play like something like that, Saturday Night Live. So I looked at it and I said, well, I got you guys in at 38. It pumped up. Look, there's bearish divergence right there. I told you, I showed all my Patreons this. So if you were my Patreon, you got a link last night, and I said, there's bearish divergence on Doge. Be careful. And I said, I'm selling Doge here at 68. So, like, you wouldn't have gone through this pain if you paid $99. And you might have lost $99. So even the $99 might have saved you this trade. You would have paid for the $99 last night in one trade because you wouldn't have lost. You get what I'm saying? Like, because you wouldn't have lost. Dex Guru, baby. Dex Guru. It's all about that Dex Guru. Don't go anywhere else but Dex Guru. Gamer Finance. We aim to bring gaming community content creators in game. We'll take a look at it. So remember, we looked at this RF3 Finance the other day, cup and handle. Starting to break out of the cup and handle. Quite interesting. I can't believe there's a coin called Cummies, man. And it just keeps going, man. It's spent, though. At this point, thank you so much, Lifer, man. Can you check GMR Finance exploding $40 million market cap in 2 days? Partnered with Twitch and some influencers from the gamer industry. Wow, that's hot. That's hot. I'm with you on that. Thank you so much for that super chat. Much respect to you, my friend. Much respect to you. Throwing down in the game, becoming a real lifer. I appreciate that, man. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. It's like, get your weight up, guys. Let's get our weight. All of us should get our weight up. Straight up. You know what I'm saying? Let's get our weight up in the game, man. MACD, Stochastics, and the RSI. Let's see what we got going on for Cum Rockets. So it's like, obviously it's oversold a little bit here on the MACD, but it's not down on the Stochastics. Has room to go in the 1 hour. Quite interesting. 4 hours extremely overbought. Like, you can't buy this anymore. I wouldn't buy it anymore. That was a run up and a half. And you know, I FOMOing in and I feel the FOMO, but it is what it is. I'm gonna let it go. Now, the only thing I could do is go to the 5 minute and look for more bullish patterns to suggest that there could be some bullish coming, you know. So here you see this. And it broke out. That was the pattern. Yeah, I gotta let it pass, man. I wish I got into it when it started. I really did. I knew about it and I just thought it was gross. I shouldn't let my mind play with me and stuff like that. Like, I forgot you to buy light again. Light again. Let's take a look at light. I like this because I can chart and I can see what the heck is going on. Oh wow, this thing is actually really hot. Look at that. That's consolidation in a really nice way. Starting to break out, actually, in my opinion, of the falling wedge here. Kind of a cup in hand. Almost an Adam and... No, honestly, Adam and Eve double bottom. Say it ain't so. Adam and Eve double bottom. Right, guys? There it is. Is your Adam. Adam and Eve double bottom. Breaking to the upside. This thing is ready to rock. Light, dude. Light. I'll throw a BNB in there. Let me make sure this is the right contract address. Like, how do I make sure this is the right contract? You know? Buy a light. Let's just take a look at what light, how much light costs. I'm going to buy light right now, guys. And I'm going to put out a call for it on the channel. I like light. Second we looked at it, I was all about it. Was all about it. $0.30. So 1 BNB at 600, 650 divided by 0.30 should render me 2,000 tokens. I got 2,100. Revolutionizing the pre-sale experience to deliver maximum value to investors and developers. The Lightning Network, man. An incubator focused on mostly trustworthy, high-quality projects. I like this thing, man. It's going to have a launch pad. Fair, secure, highly rewarded launches for investors. Safe investing. Fair investing and better investing. I'm in there. I'm in there. I'm in there right now. Refresh the quote. Buy that light. MetaMask. What's going on here? Oh, I know why. Sorry. I don't have a wallet on that browser. And you see, we keep making money, so we keep getting... Why does Lifer get to buy a new coin every day? Because I make money on a coin every night, and I take profits. When you take profits, you get to buy more stuff. It's kind of fun. Right? I love this experience. Way better than PancakeSwap. Having to load all the stuff, having it just come up right now, putting the name up there and then calling it a day. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is my first time buying on this. Okay. Did it buy yet? What happened there? I just had to connect. I got 696. I hate spending BNB, but it's whatever. We're going to try to turn this into more BNB. Tip for your guru. Oh, no. No tip for nobody. No tip for the guru. What does that mean? I'll give a tip because you guys give me a tip. How's that? I give a little tip. Gas price. Instant. Incomplete transfer error. Limited amount per slippage. 0.5. We don't need a lot. It's not working for me. Please verify your token swap. All right. Are they not like functioning yet? Man, they made it look so beautiful. They made it look so nice and easy. And now it's just not happening. Come on, man. Set slippage to 0.01. Light to whole numbers. Ah. Okay. 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 Not let me do that. It's not letting me do that because it does it by the BNB that I want to put in. So like to get to whole numbers, I'd be playing games, bro. It's like, that's impossible. You see what I'm saying? If they let me put the number in here, then I could do it. But it's not letting me do that. You get me? Buy 5,000 light, you'll get in the bronze tier. I'm up 80% Wex. Do you think it's a good time to take profits? The slippage is 9 to 10%. Why would the slippage be 9 to 10%? That's garbage. I'm not trying to pay 9 to 10%. That's not true. The slippage shouldn't be that. Yeah, I could have done that easily on PancakeSwap, man. They should let me put the number in here, man. They're not letting me put my number that I want in there. I want one BNB. Incomplete transfer, ERC20 error. Maybe I'm on the wrong, no, I'm on BSC, bro. Come on. Because it's a rebase token. Put two. Oh, I get it. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're a smart man. You're a smart man. Whoever said that's a smart man. I love you. 0.9964. You're the man, dude. But look, then it played games with me. It didn't do it evenly. How crazy is that? Look. Look at it. Look at that. Different conversion rate for buying and selling? This ain't happening. Dex Guru, you pissed me off. And back to my old friend, PancakeSwap. Right? Back to my old friend, PancakeSwap.finance. And guys, you know, it's 9:30 to 11:30. And then, you know, around 12 o'clock, 12:30. That's when I kind of get funky and start doing fun stuff on the live stream. But we're also still giving you live calls and showing you what's going on every single day. I already bought into PancakeSwap easier now. The Dex Guru website are scamming you, bro. Right? They really are, bro. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Just go to my old friend, PancakeSwap. That has always held me down. Right? But now I got to go find the address. Like, do some more work. Safe moon, baby. Light. It's going up. I think this is going to go up. Chart looked good to me. Chart looks really strong. Probably better stuff, though. Dude, you missed my super chat. Hey, it happens, man. I didn't miss it, actually. I go back through the super chats at the end to make sure I didn't miss it, so I did not miss your super chat. That's a lie. If I had ended the show, then I would have missed your super chat. So do not speak falsehoods. Do not speak falsehoods. I took a long time to go over your super chat, longer than maybe you wanted to, but I did not miss it. I did not miss it. I just bought light on Brick Chain, 0.5%. You're funny. You bought it on Brick. I like it. I like it. I love it. I love it a lot. You could buy it on anything, man. You could buy it on PancakeSwapy, Banana Swappy, whatever swap easy you want to get into, right? What a great show today, guys. You guys got a bunch of awesome calls to make you monkeys. Life went well, right? We're going to get into this light that we know is going to make us more money, more BNBs. I'm going to show you how to swap for a swap. I'm getting way less one now. Now damn, the conversion rates blows here. Let me go to the V1. The site works well and has better rates. All right, let me go to BrickSwap. Let me go to BrickSwap. Let me do it over here. I'm with you, bro. One BNB. Select my currency. Paste in my light. Dude, you're right. Look at, I'm getting more money than PancakeSwap. Dude, you smart man. Look at that. He just made me look at that. PancakeSwap trying to give me. Well, I did select a V1. Let's just see the rates. Let's do some rate. Let's do some. So okay, 2143. PancakeSwap. All right. We're gonna use Brick because I never used Brick before. We're gonna swap easy. And we bought some light right now. Okay. Transaction cannot happen. Pancake router. %1 should give us a slippage rate. No. I haven't used an even number on the tokens. There we go. There we go. There we go. That got us in there. Nice job. Thank you so much, man. Yo, I finally did it for you, big boy. Gig token for JB super chat. We'll get there. Brick chain. Brick swap is better. Oh my God, I'm checking brick swap. 5,000 for bronze, my tier, man. I'm even number on the tokens. Slippage. Gotta use even hold. Slippage is around 910. Nah, I only use 1%, so that's not true. Falsehoods. Falsehoods. I use the 1% slippage rate. Falsehoods, the slippage is not 9 to 10%. Falsehoods. Yeah, it was worth a shot. Yeah. Every cycle slippage is set. Do you think it's a good time to take profits on WEX? I don't know. Something about WEX threw me off. I can't place what it is, man. I just think too, like, that's the best name you can come up with all the other stuff going on. I don't know. I shouldn't hate on WEX. You had a good call, bro. And I didn't get down. And I'm not mad that I didn't get down. It's just like, yeah. Okay, we got to look at GMR financing. And then we got to get out of here. It's almost 12:30, guys. Insane. Insane. But I got a little DM here from my man. Thank you so much. Crypto Dynasty coming through. My man, Crypto Dynasty. So let's see what he's talking about here. When people go through the effort to DM me and make it nice and clean and give me a chart, you know what? You make it easy. Gain while you game. Exclusive NFTs. View the library. PancakeSwap, CoinGecko, BSC, GMR, audits, and more. Ooh. 5,000 members here. Website, GMR Finance. Gamer Finance. Let's take a look. Game while the plan. I like that. The plan. Non-fungible tokens. Content creators, game developers, and gaming platforms will be able to create, showcase, and sell your personal NFTs on our platform. Converting clips, etc. into NFTs will be available with just a few clicks. And non-fungible tokens is a unit of data stored on a digital ledger called a blockchain. This certifies a digital asset to be unique and therefore not interchangeable. NFTs can be used to represent items such as photos, videos, audios, and other types of digital files. Gamer Vault. Our Gamer Vault will be a place for everyone. You'll be able to create your own profile, follow your favorite game categories, and follow your favorite content creators and channels. Support streamers and creators directly using Gamer. Enter competitions and tournaments, leaderboards with profiles, Gamer Lottery, live stream integrations, and much, much more. Tournaments and competitions, lottery partnerships. Wow. Thank you for all you do, Crypto Lifer, man. Thank you, Crypto Greg, for being a part of the live stream every single day. Not a day goes by you don't hit me with a super chat, man. My gosh. I owe you. I gotta come to Hermosa Beach, take you out to dinner. I owe you a couple dinners at least. At least. You'll get them back, though. I'll hook you up. I'll get you, baby. I'm coming, man. I'm coming. Wow, so this thing is ripping. Wish I had known about it down here, right? Continuing to rip to the upside. Now it's forming a bit of a flag too, though. Interesting. One thing KuCoin doesn't have going for it is you put the indicators out, but then you make the show big. And look, it could be me, guys. You can tell me, but then I make this big and I don't get the love. Gig token. Major sell-off for this thing, but back to previous support. So that was your previous support, and then this is going to be your previous support. If it breaks this area, it's going to come down here. If it starts to show signs of that it bounces off of here, then I'll get in, because that'll tell me that this is holding. So I'll wait a little bit and make sure this holds, and if this holds, that'll be an entry into the trade, right? Something to think about. Market cap 32 million. I feel you. Total supply is really a little big for me, though. I don't know why the supply is so big. It's a little big, but 2 million in holdings for the BNB LP too, which could be better, could be worse. Shout out to Just a Good Guy for the 199 for the vibes, bro. For the vibes. Thank you for the vibes, bro. Thank you for the vibes, man. I love you guys, man. This is awesome. What a good place. What a good time. I wouldn't share my time with anyone else. I wouldn't do anything else. I would not do anything anything else for anybody else, man, this is a beautiful thing, guys. I love what we have going on here. I want to look at DAG. I'm trying to find DAG for the guy. Dex Guru may be the spot. Fine, they don't have DAG, but everyone... See, about Lightning, I won't know until like I go and check my BSC scan a week from now. I don't even remember about that thing. Crazy, right? Insanity. 777s, dude. That's interesting, right? Crypto Greg, bro. 777s on the dot, man. That's your coin, man. That's your coin, kid. Get in there, bro. Get in there, bro. Me and Crypto Greg, bro, I feel like we were old college buddies in another life. You know? I want to recreate that. I want to bounce around Hermosa. Whenever you talk about Hermosa, I see myself like, you know, slamming IPAs and just like hitting the water. Like it's just like pure bliss every day of the week. You know what I'm saying? Pure bliss every day of the week. And if it's not, lie to me and tell me it is. You know what I'm saying? Because it's got to be, bro. It's got to be. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you guys for coming on. And we had a great live, man. Shout out to everybody here. Shout out to everybody here. Bitcoin 57K, let's rock, baby. Thoughts on XLM lifer? Been going sideways for a while now. I put a lot of money into XLM, and I believe it's gonna do big things. So let's let XLM do its thing, and we'll hold true to that. Hold true to that one day. Crypto Greg, man, the dude. Pop is cool. Works off proof of partnership. Interesting. Pop. Oh yeah, he wanted me to go over Pop at the beginning of the show. I remember that now. Crypto Cam, thank you for the $20 super chat, man. You're an animal. You're an animal. ADA is taking off. BSC scan. If you buy Binance Peg tokens like ADA and ADA, they don't show on BSC until you add them. It's true. Lifer, can you look at Mountain for me? I grabbed it at $1.40 a few days ago. I want to see your short-term projection on it. I appreciate everything you do. Much love, brother. Mountain. Let's take a look at Mountain. I remember when Mountain came out, right? Remember when Mountain came out. Thank you so much for the $20 super chat and the $10 super chat. You guys are unbelievable. I guess I gotta go over Gig Token real quick and Mountain. But then eventually you guys gotta, I guess the super chats will keep me here all day. What if you guys just kept me here for 24 hours, just like super chatting me to the point where I just couldn't stop? Like it was just like, I was like, guys, please, like, no more super chats. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. I mean, a dream come true, right? Like, to get showered in money and not be able to handle it. Oh, my God. My God. I tell you what, man. Wow, Cardano assets, Gig Token. You're telling me this is going to be something to do with Cardano? Interesting. Gigtoken.co. Okay. The deflationary DeFi token disrupting the gig industry. Gig is a deflationary token that has been used as a currency in the music and performing arts industry. What if I talk this slow and you could barely get the information, but eventually you got to the point? That'd be crazy, right? Read our white paper. I mean, the website is crap. I could have made this website in literally half a second. It's 2 pictures and some writing. So I gotta kind of like, you know, what, 100 people in their Twitter following? 100 Twitter followers. If I have more Twitter followers than you and you're a project, then come on now. I think that your dog lovers better start thinking about a top here. He was right 15 minutes ago. I said that yes last night for you guys. But look at the buyback up though. Ooh, look at the wick at 51 cents. Yo, that wick just went 51 to 60. Like what? They bought back up because look, the previous spot should be where we stop. Wow, they bought that thing right back up. The whole world jumped back into Doge. Like what? Gig Token looks cool, but I think they need to do some work on that website. I like the concept. Concept's great. You could have a good concept and you could package it horribly, right? Like, you could have really good food, but it could be in a package that nobody wants to look at, right? People sell packaging. Packaging is everything, guys. Master, take a look at T-Bake token, please. T-Bake. 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 Came down hard after a nice pump, but look, we talk about this all the time. There's the previous high, support. When it comes down to support, you get in. Use the support and resistance lines. If you don't know how to use support and resistance, get a tutoring session with me. I'll break it down for you nice and easy. By the end of the session, you will be a support and resistance, just a maniac. Like, you'll be so good at it. You'll be like, wow, I can rock this out. I can really rock this out, right? Thank you for the £2 from Loziba Canas. Crypto Cam asking about Mountain. Let's take a look at Mountain. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything here for anybody. Thanks for all you do. JB asked about something. Make sure I didn't miss his thing, his gig token. We talked about that. GMR financing exploding. 2 days partners with Twitch. We went over that. I even gave you analysis where I would get into that. Covered that. Check that off the list. It's all what you think it is. IPA is flowing and surf is good. Thanks. I'm up 60K since the tutoring session. Look at that. He's up 60K from the tutoring session. What, me worry, bro? Cake chart looking nice, man, if you could. I missed the Doge talk, man. Mountain or climb? They're both involved in the same idea. Let's take a look at Mountain, if we can find it. Dex Guru really helping us out. We're getting more. We got the tools, man. We got the tools. You can't just be a regular charter now. You need to know what you're doing when it comes to this stuff now. You need to have the proper tools. If you don't have the proper tools, you cannot service the people, right? Mountain token took a dump. It looks like it's at the bottom of its barrel, honestly. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. That's on Dex Guru. I can't get a good reading on this guy. Let me see if let me go over to the Coin Trader Pro and see if I get something going on here. Mountain. Okay. Liver, can you check Pop now? Pop. Pop Network. Token price. Pop live market cap. Pop Network. The Pop Network, right? Pop Network token. 11 million fully diluted market cap. Starting to make a move on the Ethereum mainnet, though. I just think of all the fees I have to pay. It's on the Probit exchange. We went over this. Remember I said Probit, and I was talking it's only on Probit? We went over this. KuCoin. You are the internet. Own it. Get paid for creating and sharing content. Early rewards. Pop. I might like this though. The music was awesome today. I was really, really happy about it. Populous, Pop, Pop Chain, Pop Network, Pop. Oh yeah, that's why you did get the exclamation point. And I said, why did he put the exclamation point? I said, he put it in there for a reason, Sam. $9 million market cap in my sweet spot. 1,000, a little outside the range, but not bad. $6. All right, $2 million in trading on the day. I like that. 1/5 of the whole volume in trading. I like this. Let's take a look at Pop. Coming soon, one pager, powered by Facility Group. Tricky to determine how meaningful a crypto partnership is and how seriously teams get committed to the partnership. Fear of rug pulls and permanent loss and direct exposure to both tokens are large deterrents to traditional liquidity mining, leaving many tokens sitting idly on wallets. Proof of partnership allows projects to objectively display mutual trust and commitment to each other by locking their respect tokens together and creating a trustless mutual liquidity pool for their communities. I love it, man. I get it. My mind just went, oh, I see what they're doing. The link will pull up Mountain. Thanks. Holy cow, ADA finally taking off big. Dude, large caps are going to blow. Large caps are going to blow. That money's going to run back in. Okay. Going to run back into crypto. We got into ADA at 8 cents, man. I bought ADA at 8 cents because of crypto love, man. Shout out to crypto love. Yeah, ADA's starting to break out hard, right? And this is the pattern that we're seeing. Look, shoulder, head, and then the two right shoulders. They're all following Bitcoin. We all know Bitcoin's pumping just by this. Bitcoin's going to bring up the USDT pairs today. Your BTC pairs may go, you know, I go, all right, well, Bitcoin at 57,000, look, that's the bounce we talked about, right? That's the idea. Look, there was the divergence. I said there was divergence there. We should bounce off the divergence. Pure, just like we said we did. We bounced right off the divergence right there. Beautiful trade for Bitcoin, right? Beautiful trade for Bitcoin. And if I'm not mistaken, we started the live stream with a call on Bitcoin right here. So look, if you look at the link here, I started the live stream and I said to get into Bitcoin right there. Open your call right here. 55,848. I gave you a call on the live stream, guys. I told you to open a position at 55,848. Stop loss down there. You're already in the green if you took the call. Like, you're already in the green if you took my call. Like, insane. Up $2,000 on your Bitcoin. Like, come on. Live calls that happen during the live stream. Like, if that's not Patreon worthy, if that doesn't make you want to join the Patreon, you're like, the guy made a call at 9:30. At 12:30, the call was making money. Bam. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Can you check MXC? HNT has mining units, and this coin is copying process. Paul Berry. Guys, I have to go. I have to get off of the live stream. Wow. I mean, I'm flattered right now. I'm freaking flattered, honestly. I appreciate all the love. I really do. Let's take a look at what you're asking for here. Can you check MXC? MXC. Let's take a look at MXC. I learn about a new coin every day of the week. I love it. I like it. 112 million, 4 cents, 10% market cap. All right. Will you look at Super Farm out on Come Rocket? You're missing out on Come Rocket. You got to work today, bro. MXC, man, rank 374. I like that. That's in my sweet spot, and the market cap's in a nice place too. 150% today on Come Rocket. Yeah, but look, it's overextended. I'm not missing out. I made 4x last night while I was sleeping. How was I missing out? You don't have to buy every coin in the game. Cummies. But we know that porn makes a lot of money, man. So I don't like HPAR that much. No, I think it's centralized. Look, guys, it's overbought on multiple time frames. Stochastics are high it's overbought on every time frame. Look, I'll also show you something else. Look, swing up to swing up. That's hidden bearish divergence. See this? Swing up to swing up here on the price. Swing down to swing down here. Let's tell you that this is going to dump, man. This is going to dump hard. Hard. And then maybe I'll pick it up. I think it's still a good project, possibly. Look, there's bearish divergence there too. This strong bearish div on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, every time frame is telling you, and you're overbought. If you're not taking profits on this, then you're sleeping. Dev and private investor owns a majority of MXC. See what he just said? Quite suspect. Yeah, so see what he just said? CWEX on KuCoin. Does it still have room to grow? WEX should be here though. DEX is even better. The DEX guru really seems to get it all. There's WEX right there. It's up 48%. Let's see what's up with WEX. WEX is looking nice. All right, Volt Swap. Now I'm a little Wish you had called it Vault Swap and not Wex, but I guess it's like, look at that big, beautiful pennant that breaks out to, yeah. This is nice. It is getting overbought on the 1 hour. Might cool down. 10 minute, look for some divergences. Swing up to swing up, swing up. Yeah, it's still doing all right. Still doing all right. I don't see any reason really to get out of this at the moment. This looks hot. It could have a pullback. Probably did this line, you know, something like that, or somewhere. Look at the 1 minute chart. Look, 1333. I see my 33s. I always see my 33s wherever they are. I think this thing is hot. You're right. I should have got into it. I slept on it. I'll admit it. You told me about it and I didn't get in. You told me about it when it was like yesterday during the live, which was today's what, May 5th or 6th. Today's May 5th. Wow, so you put me on even before, like we would have got it yesterday. So it's up 32%. All right, my friends. Climb and mountain. Well, I want to help this guy out with his mountain call. He said something about, I couldn't read all the chats though. Let me see. I'm going to find his crypto cam live. Wait, I want to see your short-term projection. I appreciate everything you do. Much love, bro. And then thinking about cutting my losses on Panther at a 0.75x to get into some of these new calls. Master, took a look at T-Bake token, please. Check out Pop's website. I just missed the Doge talk. Mountain or climb? Have a look at Wex. Liver, can you check Pop now? Everything. Book the session for tomorrow. Placing order for some bags. It's a smart idea. Meme pad though. Yo, we got into that meme pad on the low though, didn't we? That was a move and a half. I like that move. Meme pad. It was me pad though. What an idea. Meme pad. Like let's just run with it, right? Let's go all the way. Dex Guru has a really good... I'm going to really just stick on Dex Guru for a while. I'm loving it. I wish the colors were more robust. I don't like how drab it is. Meme pad, what I like about meme pad is this sideways behavior, right? Just look at that, dude. This thing's going to blast. So my first target fell off. But now it's in a new pennant. So my first pennant fell to the downside. Now it's in a new pennant. Big targets for meme pad. Guys, this is where you want to buy. Wedged in. I'm putting a call out here for meme pad right now. All right? That's where you want to get into the trade. Stop loss below that previous low. You right click this settings and you hit style, visibility, style, always show stats, and then it won't disappear. I figured it out. Another call on the channel, I squeezed it in there. Another call squeezed in for you guys. This one won't have a link, it will just be a picture. It's meme pad at about 15. Meme pad. All right, guys. Meme pad. Meme. It's a meme. All right, guys, we're going to run out of here. Thank you so much for being a part of the live stream. Thank you for kicking it with me every single day. Thank you for showing me all the love. Thank you, man. What a great day. One of the best days of my life today. I mean, every day seems like the best day when we're in crypto and doing our thing. But all we can do, man, I get sad at the end of the stream, but I get happy that we had a good time. We found a bunch of cool gems. We talked about a bunch of different things. We went over many, many tokens. You guys super chatted me up. I really appreciated it. Man, perfect. I couldn't ask for more. I really couldn't. I'm so fulfilled and so happy. And thank you so much, every one of you guys. Yeah, let's pray, bro. It's funny. Let's pray. Yo, may the maker of this place and You know, the higher power of this earth bless us all crypto lifers as we go through this channel and this crazy life. Please help us be good to others. You know, whenever we get a win, let us be humble about it and not rub it in anyone's faces. Let us share our love with others. Let us remember those who have not and give. And let us move in respect, love, and grace, man. Amen. And let's have a wonderful day, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. I will see you guys on the next live stream tomorrow at 9:30, and we will have another day and another awesome time. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for all your respect. Thank you for all the love. At the end of every stream, we say 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life, and we're about to do it right now. Stand back. I turn my mic down a little bit because I get a little loud. I do get a little loud when this happens. So ready? A 1, a 2, and a 3. Crypto is life. There's nothing else, baby. Yeah! I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next live stream.